country representative. All right, from India, from New Delhi, namaste, from Nigeria, from Abuja, if I'm not mistaken, today from Abuja, and from Brazil. All right. So for those who just a newbie or just started, consider a new people in for the Royal Q. Welcome to Royal Q Info. All right. For your information, this is consider our scheduled Zoom meetup. I've been told by the main team for your brother and sister info, every Tuesday we are going to conduct fully in English for international language. Okay, sorry sis, I have to mute your mic. Okay, I repeat, our main weekly schedule, every Tuesday will be for English session. Every Thursday for the Indonesia and Malay for Malay session. Okay, and then every Saturday will be for Malay for technical part. Okay, it's considered for the expert one. For the newbie, I will be advisable for you to attend. It's either Tuesday for English session or either Thursday for the Malay or Bahasa Indonesia. Okay, I do hope you can spread out our latest schedule, and I do believe we will be informed clearly inside our correspondent call leader. All right, welcome our brother. Very good evening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For those who are Muslim, for the non-Muslim, a very good evening, a very good day, and good morning, good afternoon, good afternoon and good evening lah. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, at Brazil early in the morning, if I'm not mistaken, 10 p.m. 10 a.m. All right, tonight, for those information is for the Royal Q Introduction and Reward Program. Consider for the basic one. Okay, for the expert one will be special conducted upon the request. That one I'm going to discuss with our main team. Okay, first of all, I'm Hazrin. I'm from Malaysia. Duke Achan, as you can see my names, my ID names for the Zoom meeting. For those who, hold on, I double check. I just received something. 100 participants, fantastic. Okay. Okay, brothers and sisters, just a gentle reminder. All right. For this time, your chat room will be disabled. Okay, will be disabled for the chat room. Kindly focus and kindly chill and relax. Okay, listen to our sport person and let our sport person to finish all their sentence, all their session. Then later on will be I will be open for the question and answer. Okay, the rules I think is simple. You have to raise up your hand. You have to raise up your hand icon. Then I will unmute your mic in order for you to ask the question. All right, brothers and sisters, I do believe consider loud and clear. Okay, so for the meanwhile, once our sport person deliver their task, okay, kindly give a cooperative cooperation, silent all your mics. Okay, chill up, grab your drinks, and enjoy our presentation. I think I will be start anytime from now. I just wait for another green light from my main team. Then I will start. The earlier we start, the earlier we can allocate a certain time for the Q&A at the end. We see how. All right. Once again, kindly give a cooperation. On behalf of the team, a warmest regards, especially for those from Indonesia, Brazil, Abuja, and Nigeria, and New Delhi, India. Welcome, brothers. and not but not forgotten from Philippines. Today I'll be informed a lot of from Philippines. Kamustaka. Okay, brother Deepak, I think you can start, bro. Is it okay for you? My bro Deepak?
Tadi kan saya co-host bro.
Okay, jap.
Dua nombor.
Right. Okay. Okay. So for those who just enter, kindly mute your mic, brothers and sisters. I do thanks for all your cooperation. You're very supporting. Okay, so Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A very good evening to all my brothers and sisters, whichever you are representative. From today, as you can see, our main title. Okay, for those who knew, Royal Q Introduction and Reward Programs. Okay, for the international. Once again, I repeat, every Tuesday, I'll be informed that we are going to conduct every Tuesday for English session. Okay, so I think you can lock your timetable for those who to share to all your friends or your affiliates in order to get the extra knowledge regarding the Royal Q. All right. So for English session, we're going to conduct every Tuesday. Okay. So all right. So without further delay, tonight will be become a basic introduction for the Royal Q. And once again, sorry, I hear something.
The number of participants is 100. How many participants can join, please?
Pardon? How many? Can up to 1,000, brother? Up to 1,000.
People are not able to join. They said they can't join.
Hold on.
It is not 1,000.
Oh, hanya 100.
People are complaining. They are complaining already. Please help us look at it.
Only 100 people. Only 100 people it's allowing.
Okay, I will be double check with my support team. Brother, sister, hold on. Give me 1 minute, brothers, sisters. All right. Okay, just get the confirmation, brothers and sisters. I'm deeply apologize for the inconvenient situation. I've been informed that yes, for today actually we're using another partner's accounts, so we just limit for the 100 packs only, brothers and sisters. Okay, so on behalf of the team, I'm so sorry because another link will be used for the conductor another session. All right.
Log in YouTube, bro. YouTube.
Okay, so but no worries. Okay, brothers and sisters, we have a live streaming YouTube. Okay, live streaming YouTube. You can follow our Telegram, Royal Q, all in the capital letter, Royal Q, and in bracket info. Alright,
Post link
all
dekat
the
chat je.
YouTube
Post link dekat chat.
will be there. Pardon?
Post link YouTube dekat chat.
Ya.
Bang ramai nak masuk ni bro, international ni ramai nak masuk.
Chat dah tutup bro. Yep.
Tak, post link pun baru tutup sebab nak bagi tahu ramai orang. Sebab ramai orang nak masuk sebab international memang ramai bro. Kalau
Memang
limit,
lah.
rugi lah kan.
Iyalah, aku baru tahu.
Okay. Ni kan.
Alright.
Nizam
Bro,
tak boleh ke? Nizam ke Dennis ke tak boleh?
Tak boleh. Dennis dah inform saya ni. Baru inform.
Nizam ni?
Nizam punya dah out. Dah out of ni.
Dah lama subscribe dia balik lah. Aduh.
Okay, haran.
Sikit bro.
Sekejap
Sorry guys, sorry for the inconvenience. Yeah, just give us
Yeah,
for a while.
yeah,
We're
yeah,
rectifying this.
Okay.
Itu dah ada. Sambil pakai link apa?
Kena pakai YouTube juga.
All right. So how do we get the YouTube channel link?
Okay.
What's the name of the YouTube channel?
I will get for you, brother. Hold on.
All right.
Guys, you can copy the link from the screen. It's in this group, Royal Q Info. This is our Telegram group. Those of you not subscribed to this group, you can just subscribe to it. It's AI Royal Q Info. Just go here in the link is here. You can share with your friends. And they'll be able to view the entire thing from YouTube.
Yes, it's true. Thank you, Body Park.
Bro, nanti aku bagi si Fusham create another link boleh tak? Dia punya boleh pakai banyak sikit bro.
Boleh bro, boleh.
Sekejap. Dia tengah buat.
Alright, brothers. Sometimes once we do live, a lot of unconstitutional things will be happen.
Menjadi tali barut kepada sindiket penyelundupan properti. Diorang tahu perbuatan X dikesan hasil risiko.
Syndicate.
Bro, you already share the screen?
Yeah, bro. Apa?
Okay. Thank you for the info for the YouTube one.
Ya lah bro, tenang.
So we are going to wait for a while. We try to shift to the another main address, brothers and sisters. Hopefully we can done that using another our special VIP people in here. We try to manage to create a new address. Thank you. join. Hold on.
Dah 107 orang dah.
That's why.
Guys, try to log in now. Are you all able to log in now? I see people are coming in.
Yeah, guys, can you? It's already past 100 people already. 111. So means.
Okay, guys, I think you can invite the people in already.
Yeah, 116. So consider proceed lah, Bro Lepak.
Ya, bagi dia lagi 2 minit lah, bro.
Okay.
Bagi
Okay,
orang
brothers and
masuk dulu.
sisters. I will be let you guys another 2-3 minutes in order to inform your friends. Okay, so it's consider 120 already. Okay, that's good. Okay, brothers and sisters, for the meanwhile, once again, I would like to repeat again and again, a gentle reminder, kindly allow our sport person for finish all their okay, kindly mute your mic. And the second one, consider the new information. Every Tuesday will be conducted special for English session. So you can lock your schedule to inform all your members. Every Tuesday will be the English session. All right. And then for every Thursday for the Bahasa Malaysia and Indonesia. All right. And then for Saturday for the Bahasa Malaysia full for technical analysis and for the expert class. All right. Okay, just for your info. Under 40. Okay, guys, you can grab your coffee, your drinks. Don't be hesitate to do that. Welcome, bro. I can see from my screen, Vincent Po. Are you from Vincent Po from Philippines, right? No, Vietnam. No, Malaysia. All right. It's the MYK Raj. Salam, Malfin Digital Technology. How are you, brother? Abiudun William Shobo. I believe you're from Nigeria. How are you, brother? Fantastic. Okay, from Muhammad Anwar, iPhone, Ifle, all brothers from Nigeria, from Abuya, from New Delhi, our Indian brother, Namaste, from Philippines, right? From Brasilia. Yep.
From Nigeria, okay.
Yeah, how are you, bro?
You're doing fine. And you?
I'm from Malaysia.
God bless
All right.
you.
So I'm going to mute all your mic in order to start. All right. So kindly sit back, sit tight. All right. So enjoy our presentation for today.
Banyak. Saya tanya.
Okay. So, Bodipak, can you hear me?
Yeah, bro.
Okay. So once again, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A very good evening to all our brothers and sisters. Okay. So so sorry, just now we have a little inconvenient situation, but we are able to manage it. Okay. Thanks for all your cooperation and be patient about it. All right. So I'm Hazrin. Okay. From Malaysia. Okay. Consider for your MC, and I will be accompany you all to the end. Hopefully we can finish on times. Okay, because I do believe everybody got their own agenda after this. Okay, so all my brothers and sisters, without further delay, I'm going to call upon our first host for tonight. I think it's no need to further introduction. You should consider the well-known people already. Okay, I do believe a lot of the region out there is already know him. Okay, especially for in order to representative Royal Q and to educate and to willing to share to us all the method and tips do and don't in Royal Q. So brothers and sisters, even though I can't see you from far here, I give a round of applause, a big hand to our charismatic leader, our V3 for Royal Q, and I do believe just around the corner will be the V4. And without further delay, once again, give a big hand to our brother, Mr. Deepak Ramji. Yes, my bro.
Thank you,
Hand
bro.
over
Thank you,
to
bro.
you, Mr.
Thank you.
Deepak. All right.
Hello, guys. Welcome, first of all. My name is Deepak Ramji. So today I'm here to present.
Hold on.
Okay. Sorry, guys. Okay, guys. First of all, I would like to say welcome to this presentation today. My name is Deepak Ramji, and today I'm here to present to you about a wonderful opportunity, which is called Royal Q. Okay, guys. Before that, just some house rules. First thing is, please do me a favor. If you don't unmute your mic, mute your mic. If you want to ask any questions, please carry your hand, just raise your hand. And then we will be able to see based on first come, first serve. We will answer your questions. And not now. You only raise your hand when I open for Q&A. Okay, guys? As today, we only will be taking about 10 questions on the presentation after the presentation. So if you have any questions, you can prepare and then we can talk later. Okay. Now, in my presentation today, I have two segments. The first one, we will go through some introductions, and then the next one, we'll go through the slides. We'll go through the presentation slides, and then the app, and from there we will proceed further. Okay. So before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Deepak Ramji. I'm born and brought up in Malaysia. I have been involved in Royal Q since April 2021. So, and I personally, I'm a trader. I'm a cryptocurrency trader, been trading since the year 2012. So, like this, let's begin, okay? So I hope all of you can see my screen.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah, bro.
So Royal Q quantification. Okay, so basically Royal Q, the Q stands for quantification. Now, just to share with you about Royal Q is from China. Okay, it was established in China in 2017, guys, and then it's been operating in China all this while. But in March 2021, this year, it was introduced outside of China. That means the rest of the world came to know about Royal Q. Okay, as you know, right now China is going hard on all the crypto-based companies or everything, exchanges also. So Royal Q also made a decision to leave from China, and currently they are headquarters in Singapore. Okay, guys, they're headquarters in Singapore. So let's start your quantitative financial management journey. Okay. Now, So fund security of quantitative transaction. See guys, the first thing very important today, right? We really need to understand something. Currently, you know, there's a lot of schemes. You'll be hearing a lot of cryptocurrency-based schemes where they require you to send your crypto to them, and then they will manage your crypto and those platforms, whereby they will manage your crypto and then they will do profit sharing or pay you some dividend. Now, in today's market, there are a lot of people out there, guys, who are just trying to make a fast money from others, right? I'm sure many of us, our friends, would have burned their fingers in investment schemes, such kind of investment schemes, okay? So the most important thing is we need our funds, our capital to be secured, okay? Now, in Royal Q, why is it I say that our capital is secured over here? Is because, guys, your capital, it's going to be sitting in your own Binance or Huobi exchanger. Okay, that means you have to register for the exchanger in Binance or Huobi before even you want to join Royal Q, so that you'll be able to keep your capital in your own exchange account, and the bot, generally you get Royal Q bot to connect to your account. Okay, so API is authorized to bind with Huobi and Binance exchanger. Only opens reading and trading permission. That's all. The bot only can do that. Okay. Users trading funds and profits are in their own account, safe, and you can check it anytime, and can be unbound anytime. That means you can unbound your bot from your account anytime. Okay. Trading funds do not need to be transferred to the platform. Rest assured. Okay. So that means, guys, what I'm trying to say here is your capital, it's going to be sitting in your own Binance account, right? So Royal Q does not require you to send your money to them in order for them to trade and pay you. No, guys. Royal Q only helps you to manage and trade for you in Binance or Huobi, but your funds are sitting there. So that's the first thing, guys. What made me to fall in love, why I like Royal Q, because if this, in this case, if Royal Q would ask us to send our capital to Royal Q and then they will trade for us, guys, it's a big no. I myself will not join. But when I was introduced to Royal Q, the first thing that got me interested was my money, my capital. It's going to be sitting in my own Binance account. So that's the first security here, guys. Okay. Sorry. Next, how does quantitative trading make money? Okay, so the bot uses advanced mathematical models to replace human subjective judgment and uses computer technology to select a variety of high probability events that can bring excess returns from huge historical data to formulate strategy and let computer replace manual arbitrage of buying low and selling high. Okay, guys. So trading logic to earn the difference and the profit. So basically, guys, as you know, the bot is an intelligent bot. It's artificial intelligence, AI. So AI bot, Gambi, what does it do? The bot will manage your trade for you. Okay. Then next thing is the benefit of quantitative trading. It greatly reduces the impact of market volatility on investor sentiment and avoids making irrational investment decisions when the market is extremely fanatic or pessimistic. See, guys, I'm a trader, so I'll tell you something. One problem about in trading is, and we trade ourselves, we are humans, right, guys? Guys, please pause. Bro, you understand, bro? Dude.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro.
Just help me to pause everybody. Okay. Okay, guys. So let's continue. Okay. So as a trader, guys, what I realize is when we trade ourselves, we have two problems. One is we have fear. Another one is we have greed. Now, these two qualities is not good in trading. See, when the market price is pumping, you're making profit, then your greed kicks in. You know, you will not take profit over there, and you end up closing the trade at a loss or at a break-even point, right? And then when the market is extremely going down, dumping, what will happen is, in the fear of losing more, we will end up closing our trade, right? So this is the problem that happens when we trade ourselves. But now with Royal Q, okay, it is with Royal Q bot.
Bro, I think I have to mute all, then I will be.
Okay, boleh.
Okay, hold on, bro.
Okay, so basically with Royal Queue, now that problem we will not face. Why? Because the board has no feelings, the board has no fear, there's no greed. And if the parameter is set at 1% to take profit, the board will take profit at 1%. It's not going to be ambitious to take it higher or whichever. Okay, so that's the best part about the board, the first thing. Okay, second thing you can see here, it is an essential tool for investors to avoid human subjective judgment. Yes. When the market is extremely, again, it is an essential tool for investors to avoid human subjective judgment errors. It also has the advantage of high efficiency, discipline, and system. And it also saves labor costs. Okay. Labor cost means basically it saves your time, guys. Okay. Sorry, I'm not a bit focused because of all this noise coming up or what. You know, those who are please cooperate a bit, guys. Let me do a good job here. Okay. Okay. And then types of quantitative transaction, guys. In the field of digital currency, there are many kinds of quantitative transactions. Okay, whereby Royal Queue quantification is kind of trend trading arbitrage. The digital currency is traded 24 hours, 7 days a week. And there are many types of cryptocurrencies that you can select from the Royal Queue to trade. Global investors participate in this transaction, so it's full of opportunity for investment arbitrage. Now, just I'm sure some of you guys here, I don't know whether maybe you are new to crypto or you don't have experience, or maybe you are also got experience, crypto experience people here. But let me just give you some background. Since the birth of Bitcoin in 2009, guys, it has experienced countless ups and downs, guys. Okay, and now it has become a popular investment target for major institutions on Wall Street. You are seeing even companies like Tesla and all these Grayscale, all these companies are coming into Bitcoin. Okay, a house in the second and third tier cities of currency is something that many people dare not imagine. So basically, guys, you know, stock market is known as the first tier house. And when it comes to Forex and cryptocurrency, they're known as second or third tier. So the volatility is very great in cryptocurrency. So what happens here is people get very fearful to come in. But why? Because we can't manage our own, what they call it, our own emotions when we trade ourselves, right? But with Royal Queue board, you don't have to worry because the board helps you to do it, guys, okay? Now, affected by epidemic, the world's economy and financial system, guys, is facing a major reshuffle. We can see that ourselves, correct? But with its unique characteristic, digital currency will gradually, guys, I'm not saying now, but gradually replace gold. I'm talking about digital gold over here, guys, okay? And other general assets, okay? And the era of blockchain, actually, it's already in the market, like it's already come through, like it's already been through, right? Okay, but that is how fast this industry is growing, guys. Now, we can see here, guys, in this crypto industry, there's three community involved over here. One are the capital, second are the institutional, and third is the retail players. Now, who are the retail players? We are the retail players, guys. Everyone in this chat room today, in this meeting today, we all are retail players, okay? Who is institutional? People like Tesla and all these people. And who are the capitals? We're talking about companies like Grayscale, MicroStrategy, they are the capitals. So basically, all these three groups, they are in the crypto industry. There are enough liquidity in the industry, and there's a lot of money to be earned, guys, right? Which is waiting at the sidelines, right? So here, because of such a big involvement of such a big group, there's a lot of money to make. And Royal Queue, when you connect the board, it makes it more easy for you to make money here. Now, the team behind Royal Queue, guys, they are professional. They have experience in artificial intelligence quantitative trading for the last 4 years of experience in development quantitative strategies for digital currency trading system, and has successfully built quantitative system for many international private equity funds. Okay, And they are also 6 years experience in blockchain industry, investment experience, 3 years of exchange system development and operation experience, stable and perfect trading system. Okay. And the entire project, guys, of Royal Q is done in-house. Okay, they did not outsource any of their project, any of their part of their project. Everything is in-house. So just to share with you guys, this slide is actually a convert from Chinese language to English. That's why the English is a bit run away. But actually, why I prefer to use this slide, because I feel like there's a lot of slides now. Many leaders have created. I've seen online. But I feel this one, even though the English is not perfect, guys, but a lot of info that I see here that you fail to get it on other slides. So that's why I would prefer to use this to give you all very good information on this, guys. Okay. Now let me just take out that cross mark. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's very simple, guys. The first step is, of course, the very first step is you need to register with a Hobby or Binance account if you if you don't have an account. Once you have done that, you have your Royal Q bot. The first thing is, guys, API binding. So you bind via API to your Hobby or Binance account. Okay. And as I told you earlier, the bot only allowed to read the market and help you to trade. Okay. Number 2, only trades 50 of the mainstream cryptocurrencies. There are now 63 currencies for you to trade, but out of that, 50 is the mainstream ones, and the other 13 are new coins in the market, which is a bit volatile. Later, I'll show you when we go to the app. And number 3, guys, the most important, which what also caught my attention when I heard about Royal Q, is there is no liquidation in spot transaction, guys. Okay, meaning Royal Q quantification is all spot quantification, meaning the bot is buying the cryptocurrency itself. Now, the difference between Forex and cryptocurrency spot. Okay, now Forex, guys, when we trade Forex, we are not actually buying the currency itself, right? We are just trading against probabilities of the currency going up or going down the price, correct? We're not actually holding, like example, Euro, USD. We're not actually holding Euro and USD and trying to make money, no. But because if you do that, you need to go to the money changer, right? But when it comes to Forex, when we trade ourselves online, we are just trading against probabilities, okay? Same way, when it comes to Royal Q, we don't have probability trading here because we are trading on spot. The bot is actually buying the coin itself. So the best part here is, guys, you will never wake up one morning and see your account zero, or you have lost your money, or your account was margin call, or liquidated, nothing that sort, guys, okay? Because spot trading, you only will see loss, which is, you will see paper loss or floating loss, okay? Meaning, what does that mean? Now, let's say, guys, for example, let's take an example, okay? Let's say today we buy gold. Okay, we go to the gold shop and we buy gold. Now, when we buy gold, let's say whatever amount you buy, tomorrow or the day after or the week after, if the price of that value of the gold, the price happen to depreciate, what will happen? Did you lose money? No, right? You only lost value at that point of time. That's called paper loss. But unless if you decided to sell that gold that you bought when the price depreciated, then only you will have actual loss. Until that, it's only paper loss or floating loss, right? So same over here. So guys, here there's no liquidation, so you can have a lot of peace of mind, okay? And number 4, guys, professional digital market research. Now, professional digital currency market research team, research analysis and big data analysis recommend the best arbitrage currencies and combination. So the entire of which coin should be traded, everything is done by Royal Q's team already. So you don't have to worry. All those coins in Royal Q, for the fact, you know, these coins are good coins to trade and these coins are in the market. Okay, you don't have to worry that it's a fly-by-night coin or what. We don't have such things in Royal Q. Okay.
Okay. All right.
Okay, so there's a few what features that it offer in the Royal Q bot. Number 1 is double the first order, which later I'll show you there. And then they have improved martingale strategy, real-time trading strategy, professional tracking, and replenishment mechanism. And as I told you earlier, guys, Royal Q was introduced from China, from the mainland of China, and of course Taiwan. And it was after when it was introduced, I mean, when they opened up for the rest of the world, meaning when they uploaded it on Play Store and App Store, then it became famous in Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, and now it's all over the world, guys. India, Bangladesh, Nigeria, South Africa, Brazil. They are everywhere, guys. Okay, it's Paris. Today I had someone who contacted me from Paris. It's everywhere. It's growing rapidly. So that's the best part of what Royal Q, because it's taking the world by storm. Seriously, guys, people are coming in because those who are newbies into crypto, guys, it's so perfect for beginners also to use Royal Q board, and it's also perfect for traders that are good traders in the market also, advanced traders also. They are also coming in into Royal Q to use the bot to trade. Now, how much can we earn in Royal Q quantification? This is a question people ask. Very simple, guys. Here we can make something around 10 to 50% a month. Okay. Now, every one of us, our returns will be different, guys. Okay. For example, today I would have got maybe 1% return, and maybe another person will got 2%. It all depends on which coin we are trading, which coin we ask the bot to trade, and maybe you selected some other coin, unselected some other coin. So in a month, none of us, unless we bought the same coin at the same time, then it will be the same, guys. If not, the percentage is it varies upon different people. So of course you select the best coins, and they also have your appetite for risk. Risk means, I mean, you don't want to have a lot of floating losses, means so maybe you play with a lower equity and all that. So all this later on when we go to Royal Q app, we will be discussing. So here, to answer the question, 10 to 50% is something very, very easily achievable. Also, they have this compound interest rollover algorithm. So as I told you guys earlier, your capital is where? In your own Binance and Huobi account, right? And the profits are going to be where? Also in your own Huobi and Binance account. So when your profits, if you don't withdraw, you leave it there, it's in your capital, right? So automatically it goes into compounding interest. So you start making money, doubling up your money from there also, guys. Now, Royal Q quantifies pure profit before it counts as commission. In order to maximize users' profit, the Royal Q quantitative team takes the lead in the industry to calculate handling fee based on pure profit. The handling fee you save in Binance and Huobi is also the money you make. So guys, for Royal Q, very simple. What does Royal Q get out of this entire helping you to trade? It's an 80-20 share. Okay, that means from 80% of the profit are yours, 20% of the profit belongs to Royal Q. Okay, but as I told you earlier, guys, Royal Q has no access to your Binance account to withdraw your funds. So that 20%, later in the app, I'll show you, there is a wallet. Everybody has a wallet in the application. So you just need to keep some funds over there. So $10, $20, so that whenever Royal Q makes a profit for you in your Binance account, that commission will be minus from this wallet. Okay. Remember, guys, 100% of the profit is going to be sitting in your Binance account. But Royal Q takes the commission from the funds that you already top up in advance. From there, it minuses the funds, guys. Okay. So Royal Q also have share to make money. So when you share this application with your friends, and when they start using Royal Q, you start to earn some passive income also. For this segment, guys, it's not. I'm not presenting this today. So later, the next speaker will be sharing about this. So what is the team's vision here, guys? Right? It's to make trading easier, return investment to life, give investors more peace of mind and quantitative financial management. Okay, which I tell you guys is very, very true here. The piece that you get using Royal Q bot, you don't get it with any other firm. Bro.
Yeah, bro.
Waiting room
Please
buka
lock
ke?
the entire group. And
Okay, okay.
Waiting room. Off waiting room, bro.
Yep. I don't open. Can you hear me, bro?
Boleh, bro.
Okay, dah. I already mute all.
No, not mute. The waiting room.
Waiting room. Okay.
So bila orang nak masuk,
Okay.
normally can masuk just like that, right? Now ada orang buka waiting room, bro.
Yeah, that's why.
Okay, guys. So in my screen here, you can see there's two applications. One is, of course, Binance, the exchanger that I use. For me, I prefer to use Binance because since 2018, I've been using Binance for all my transactions. And then, of course, you can see the another application here, which is called Royal Q. So this is the two applications that we are going to talk about today. Now, before I go further on Royal Q, let me just show you something about Binance, guys, okay? Now, if you look at Binance today, if you don't have an account with Binance yet, means I will tell you something, guys. For me, I prefer to use Binance because Binance is one of the exchanges that I trust. They've been long in the market and one of the highest liquidity, highest volume exchanger today in Asia. So one of it that I selected, and you can see they also have this savings account, staking. They have this ATM card. And all these things in Royal Q, guys. I mean, in Binance app, guys. Okay. Okay. So the application works exactly like a bank, but it's a cryptocurrency bank. Okay. Just a small introduction on this part. Okay, now let's go back to where we were earlier. Now, Royal Q bot, guys, okay? Now, in order for you to download this bot, it's very simple. You just go to your Play Store, okay? You click on, you search for Royal Q from your Play Store or App Store. Sorry, Royal Q, search. And then you can see here, this is where you can go and download your Royal Q application. It's also in iOS or even in Android store, okay? So once you've done that, you just click on open. Okay, this is I've already logged in. Let me just log out for a while. Okay, so here you can see, down here, when you click login, guys, you can see there's a register now button over here. So you just have to click on register now. So here you enter your email, enter your password, re-enter your password, click the send button to get a verification code to your email from Royal Q. And here, guys, you need to put in an invitation code. Now, whoever who invited you here today, normally you should use their what they call it, referral code to join. Okay, so you just can ask your introducer about their referral code. You key in the referral code here, you select that I've agreed to the terms and condition, and then you click register now. Okay, so once you have done that, you'll be successfully registered. So in this case, I've already done it. So let me just log in now. Just 1 minute, guys. Let me just log in. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. So I've already what they call it, login. So once you have logged in, after you have registered your account, guys, this is how your account will look. Okay. So what happens over here is very simple. The first thing is, guys, you can see the first button here, which is API binding. This is where you need to go and do your API binding. The next one, you can see your revenue. This is all your income that you're earning on a daily basis. And then you can see your transactions that the board is doing. And also, if you want to invite any of your friends, you can invite them by getting your referral link from here. Okay. And then, of course, down here, guys, you can read up about what they call it, about the courses they have and some guide and everything. So this is something that you can go through. Now, the first thing, guys, I'm going to show you on how to do API binding. Okay. So what you need to do, you click on API binding over here. So you click on API binding. Now here, guys, you can select either Binance or Hobby, or you even can select both. The best thing, guys, one bot that works in 2 exchanges. Okay, this is the best part. That means you have an account in Binance, you have an account in Hobby, you keep your money here, and you allow Royal Q to trade for you in both of these exchanges. Okay. Now I'm going to show you an example of how to do the binding for Binance here. Okay, so you just click on the Binance, you'll be able to see it requires API key, secret key, and verification code. Now, this API key and secret key, you need to get it from the exchanger that you're using, either Hobby or Binance. Okay, now let's just go check out where to get it. Yeah, so we go to Binance for a while. Okay, so here, guys, you can see that we have our Binance account. So very simple, you just have to click on this avatar here, this human sign up here. You click on that, and then you'll be able, okay, sorry, wait. Okay, normally, guys, if you are new to Binance and you just downloaded the app, this is how the application will look for you. So what you need to do, you need to click up here on the human avatar up there. And once you click on it, you can see here that you have this Binance Lite. So this light, you need to off it. Okay, you just off this light. So you click off. So once you have done that, automatically you go into the Binance Professional Edition. So once you come here, what you need to do, you just see all these applications here, right? You click on More. Okay, so once you click on More, you go all the way to the bottom, and then you can see API Management over here. So you click on API Management. So now what you need to do, you create a label. I normally suggest to the label that you are keying in. Okay, so the label here, guys, normally I will suggest to put Royal Q so that you don't get confused with the API. Once you've done that, you click on Create API. Then it will require you, I don't know whether you can see my screen or not, I think you can see. So email verification, you just click to get the code. This comes from Binance. And if you're using Google Authenticator, basically you need to verify. Once you have done the verification, what will happen is you will get something like this. Okay, something like below here. So you will get like this. Okay, guys. So here what you need to do, first step is you click the arrow below here. Okay, you click the arrow here. And then you go all the way to the bottom, you'll be able to see the API restrictions. Okay, the API restrictions, normally it only allows this one, enable reading. The others are not allowed. So, but you need to allow the second one. I mean, the first one is automatic allowed. The second one also you need to manually allow it for the bot to do. The others you don't have to allow. Okay, because you only need these two for the bot to work. Most important, don't allow withdrawal. I mean, anyway, they won't allow. So in order to do that, you just need to go back up. You click on edit. You go down. Can you see here, guys? You can select all this. So now, of course, you need to off all this. This one should be off normally. Just on this one. So remember, guys, only both. Enable reading and enable spot and margin trading. That's all. The remaining, the others, you should not be opening it. Okay. So if everything okay, you go up, you click on save. And now when you go back down, you can see that you can't click in any of the buttons anymore. And this is already, this is selected and this is selected. If it's done, then you go up, you click on this copy button here, guys. Copy this code. Then you head into your Royal Q and you paste it over here. Okay. Next, you need the secret key. So for the secret key, you go back to your Binance. You can see your secret key over here, guys. Okay, normally your secret key will be something like this over here. So you just have to something like this, but it will be here. Now mine already saved, that's why it's showing this sign. So you just copy that, manual copy that key here. Go back to your Royal Q. and then you can paste it over here on your secret key. Click on send verification code. You will get an email from Royal Q with the code. Click on that I have read the risk notice carefully and click on bind. That's it, guys. Once you have done that, normally you'll be able to see that it was changed into orange color like this. Okay. So then once it's done, that means you have successfully binded your Royal Q bot. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. Now next, guys, is you want to know how to activate your bot, correct? You want to know how do you activate your bot. Okay. Now to activate the Royal Q bot, very simple. You just have to go all the way to the bottom below here. You go to mine. Okay, at mine here, you click on mine. Now, here guys, you can see that there's something called asset. Okay, you click on asset. Okay, you click on asset and you click on deposit. Okay, so when you click on deposit, they give you this address. You copy the address. Okay, and once you have copied the address, you just have to go to your Binance if you have the USDT there, or you have it in any of other crypto wallets. You just have to transfer here or withdraw or send here USD $100, which is equivalent to USDT. Because it's for 1 year subscription to use Royal Q bot, it is $100. Okay. Next, you need to send another extra $20 into your wallet. So that means total you need to send USD $120. Now, in this 120, guys, USD 100 will be minus for a yearly subscription for the Royal Q bot. The remaining $20 will sit in your Binance account. Sit in your Royal Q account. Again, I rephrased myself. It will be in your Royal Q account. Okay, for what is this? Remember, guys, earlier I told you, right? When any profit, let's say 100% profit that Royal Q makes for you in Binance, 80% of the profit belongs to you and 20% belongs to the Royal Q bot. Now, this 20%, they will minus from that $20 that you have left in your account. Okay, but don't forget, this entire 100% is where it's in your own Binance account. This 20%, this $20 for something you topped up earlier, so the bot will minus from here. Okay, now you need to make sure at all times your wallet balance here should at least have $10 and above. Okay, 10 USD and above, so that the bot can continue working and not having problem. Now people ask me, what happens if I forget to put money here? Nothing happened, guys. The bot will just stop working, and then once you top it up, the bot will continue working. It's just like our car. When there's no petrol, the car stops, right? And when we pour petrol, the car starts moving. Same goes to here, so guys. Okay, so clear this. Now once you can see, when you see 120 USDT inside here, once you've done your withdrawal, you head back to the front. Here, guys, you can see a button called activate. Okay, so you just click on activate. Mine shows renew because but you click on activate, and then the bot will minus $100 and your account is activated, guys. Okay, now after activated, most important thing is, again, first thing, guys, I showed you how to download the Royal Q bot from your App Store or Play Store. Second, I showed you how to do your registration. Third, I've showed you how to do your API binding. And the fourth, I've showed you how to activate your Royal Q bot. Now, the last two that I'm going to show you is very important. That is where entire trading works. Okay, guys? Now, if you are a beginner in cryptocurrency, or if you're a newbie or you just started in crypto, so my suggestion would be for new people who are here who don't have experience in crypto, suggestion is you head to down here, circle. Now, what is circle? Circle is basically copy trade, guys. Okay, copy trade. Okay, it helps you to trade. So you don't have to know about crypto or what. All you need to do is you go to circle. You see here, guys, there are more than a lot. There are many traders over here who has been trading with Royal Q for quite a long time. So you can just follow any one of them. You can just copy any one of them how to trade. So that's what copy trade is all about. For example, I will take Crypto Bull as an example. Now, Crypto Bull here, guys, you can see that he has made 3,341% trading in Royal Q, guys, okay? And there is 6,762 members following his trades, okay? So all you need to do is, if you are interested to follow, you click on the percentage here, okay? You click on the percentage, okay? Sorry, I'm already following him. Okay, let me just show you again. Click on the percentage, and then it can show you the coins that this person likes to trade. If okay, you click on this button here, says Sync Strategy. Okay, you click on Sync Strategy. And here, guys, it will ask you to select amount, first in buy amount, how much you want to start with. And here it shows you how many coins you want to follow. This is the two information it requires. Now, example, guys, if your capital is $1,000 in Binance, and if you want to open position, normally we suggest to open about 6% of your equity, which is USD $60. So the remaining money will be there. Later, I'll show you why. So in this case, you put $30 here and you put 2 coins here. That means it only uses $60 to open the position at the starting. Okay. Okay. And then another thing, guys, you can see here there's a 1% profit sharing. Now, remember earlier I told you 100% of profit, 80% is yours, 20% goes to Royal Q. Now, from your 80%, another 1% will go to this trader. Okay, so you will get net 79% of the profits. Okay, guys, it's very good. It's the cheapest cost to pay someone to copy their trades, guys. Okay, so once you have done that, for example, in this example, I'm going to put 2 coins, and here I'm going to, not 2 coins, I'm going to put $10, and here I'm going to put 2. Okay, so I'm going to follow 2 coins. If I'm okay with the settings, I just leave the remaining, and I just need to click Sync Strategy. The minute I click on Sync Strategy, you can see we go back to my home page. You can see, guys, that the bot has successfully bought this coin. It bought Dogecoin. Okay, the bot has just bought Dogecoin. Earlier, I already have TRX from the Sync Strategy. So that was my earlier trade. And now because I put 2 earlier, I put 1. So now you can see my trade is running. So now I don't have to worry about this trade. I just have to leave it, and the trader know how to manage the trade. Now, guys, remember one thing. When you do copy trade, the coin and which coin to trade, what are the parameters used for the coin is selected by the trader, not by us. We just need to select the amount we would like to start with and how many coins we need to follow. We want to follow. That's it. The remaining, the trader will take care. Okay. So that is how you do copy trading, guys. Okay, that's very simple. Now that is for those people who are newbies and what they call it, you have not traded here before. Now the next one is I'm going to show you. If you have not traded in cryptocurrency before, so that is for you. You can use copy trade. I suggest to many of you guys to use copy trade because it's easy. If you don't know how to see charts or what, but if you have a bit of experience in trading crypto, then I tell you where you need to go is you need to go to here, Quantitative. Okay, Quantitative is basically where you can select the coin. So guys, you see here, they have more than 50. This has got 50 plus coins because I never on the professional edition. Because here, guys, you can see there's something called professional edition. If I on this, they will add another 13 to 14 coins, but I never choose to on it. So I just leave it as the basic edition. So let me just show you how it works. So all the coins are here. Now, let's say, for example, I want to trade ADA. Okay. So all I need to do, the first step, guys, is I need to go to trade setting on the coin. Click on the coin and go to trade setting. Now, when I go to trade setting, here, guys, I can select. The first thing I can select is how much I want to start with. In this example, I'm going to use $10. Second is I can select whether I want to open double position, which is no need. If I want to open double position, I might as well put $20 here. Correct or not? So $10 here. This one I will leave it as not opening. Number of calls, we will leave this for later. I will explain to you in a while time. Then you have this take profit ratio, which is 1.3%, and you have this thing called earning callback. 0.3%. Okay, so let me explain to you what is these two first. For example, guys, let's say you buy the coin over here and the price starts to go up. The minute the price reaches 1.3% of profit, the board is already ready to take profit, but it will wait for a callback of 0.3%, meaning the price comes down by 0.3%, the board will close the trade with a profit of net 1%. Okay, so it's automatic, and then the board will continue doing its work. So the thing is, why they have this callback thing? Because another example, let's say the price is going up, already past 1.3, but market is bullish, the price will just follow. Let's say now it's at 2%, then it pulls back by 0.3, the board will close the trade and you will make a 1.7% profit on the amount of $10. Okay, so that is what it's mean about callback. Okay, and then you have this okay, this one on the number of margin call and callback, we will talk about it in a while time. You have this buy-in callback. Buy-in callback is basically when you want to go back into the trade. Okay, now this one, number of margin call, let me explain to you what is this. Okay, so I first thing have to on this one here, so I on this one first. Now you can see down here, guys, number of margin call up here, I put 7 times, right? So you can see down here, first time, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time, sixth time, and 7th time. Okay, so it's already here. Now these parameters, I always advise people don't change it, because this is using Fibonacci extensions. This is basically potential turning areas of the coin price. Okay, so don't disturb that. But here the settings, guys, you can change. Okay, you can change this one. Now let me explain to you what is this. Now example, guys, you buy the coin price when the price is here, you entered. Instead of going up, the price happened to reverse back down. Now your entry is here. Okay, you entered here. Okay, so now when the price is going down, the minute the price go down by 3.5%, guys, the board will initiate to buy the same coin for $20. Remember earlier I opened this trade for $10, right? So now it will utilize $20 to buy 2 times of the coin. So what it does is, it does a dollar cost average over here. So I started at $10. So now the price I bought over here, price went down. When it go down by 3.5%, the board will buy twice the amount for $20. So here it will use $20. Now my entry point is no more here. My entry point is somewhere here based on dollar cost average. So if the price turns back from here, once it passed this line, I'm already making profit. I don't have to wait until here. Okay. But okay, if the price don't turn back from here, let's say another example, price went down 3.5%, the board bought. So now your average entry is here. Went down another 4%, the board buys. Now your average entry is here, buys 4 times the amount. So when the price turns back, you don't have to wait until here. That's what callback margin is, something to do with DCA, dollar cost average. Okay. Now some people ask me, I don't want to use this. So yes, you can go back up here and you can put 0. Okay, no margin call. You see down here, empty AD, right? But what will happen, guys? If you buy here and the price goes down, you need to wait for the price to come back all the way up here in order to make profit. Whereas if you on this now, this one, if you on it, the price comes down a bit. This is your entry. Price comes down, it buys. Your entry is here. Price come down, buy. Your entry is here. Price come down, buy. Your entry is here. And from here, if the price turn back, you just need to wait until here, and all this is profit for you. Okay. So I'll change back this to, you can even put 4 times. In this example, I'll just put 4 times. These settings I will change. I normally use 1, 2, 3, and 5. So meaning for this trade, I've allocated $10, $20, $40, $70, and another $50, which is $130. Okay. Sorry, $120. Yeah. So if I'm okay with these settings, I click on this confirm button up here. Okay, confirm. And then I need to click before I click start. Now here, guys, you can see some settings. You can see first one is one shot. If you want the bot to buy the coin again and again, you can see one shot and cycle. Cycle means the bot buys the coin, makes profit, closes it, and buy again. makes profit, buy again, makes profit, buy again. But if you don't want, let's say you want it to just buy, make profit, and then don't buy again, you want it to stop, then you can change the setting to one shot. One shot means it only trades the coin once, and then I need to instruct the bot to buy again. If I leave at cycle, then it will be repeatedly buying the same coin until I go and change it to one shot. Okay. For this example, I'm going to use one shot. So if I'm okay with all these settings, I click on start. I click confirm. And now if you go back to my home screen, you can see that my ADA trade is already live. Okay, guys, as simple as that. Okay. Now, that is how you do your quantitative trade. So let me show you some other settings, guys. Okay. Now, liquidation means if I want to close my position, right? Without waiting for the bot to close, I just have to click liquidation. Okay. If replenishment means if I want to top up some funds into my trade. For example, I'll show you one of my trade. Let's take ETH. Okay. You can see my entry price was 2232. Now it's 2223. Okay. So all I need to do here is click on replenish. If I want to top up, I put here, let's say $10. You see what happened to my entry price? Earlier was 2232. Now it's 2230. Okay. So I'm okay with it means I click on confirm. See here, guys. You see the price went down already? So that is what replenish. Replenish means adding money. Now you can see another button here says stop margin call. So what is stop margin call, guys? Remember the settings down here just now? Let's say now the bot has come to here, come to here, come to here. And after this, I don't want it to take these orders. I don't want it to take these orders means I just have to click on stop margin call. So the bot will not buy some more. Okay. If I don't click this, it will buy as long as there's USDT in my account, it will continue buying. Okay, guys. So basically, this is how you start to do your own trading, guys. Okay. So, and down here, you'll be able to see your Binance balance and then what's you're trading with. Okay, guys. So basically, this is my presentation, how to use Royal Q bot. Okay. For if you want to get more information, guys, okay, let me just share. First of all, you can see that we have our Telegram group, which is Royal Q info. Okay, here you can see all the members are here. You can join. This is the official group for our group, official Telegram group. I would request you guys who are new, join this group to get more information. And then another one is you can go down to YouTube. This is my YouTube channel, guys. You'll be able to find all the how to bind your API, how to register, how to download, introduction, everything is here. And I'll be adding more videos. Last 2 days, I didn't add any videos because I've been busy, but I'll be adding more videos so that you guys can have more information. In this video, guys, there's no any referral link. Don't worry. So you don't have to worry about your team coming and getting referral and joining under me. You don't have to worry. Your team, your members are safe because I'm doing this purely to give you all information, just like how I'm doing presentation today for you all. Okay. So, but in return, I just request one thing. Please like and subscribe to my channel so that you get notified for all the updates I do. Not only on Royal Q, guys, I also will be doing on technical analysis on market condition also. Okay. So this is just the thing. So guys, I open the floor now for sharing. I mean for Q&A.
Okay. Just now I saw it. Gone already. Alright, okay, hold on. Okay, guys, brothers and sisters.
You just have to raise your hand if you
you
got
have to
any
raise your hand.
questions.
Is there any question? Kindly raise up your hand, then I will be unmute you. Okay, first one, Alina Tan. Where's Alina Tan? Alright, Alina Tan, I will be unmute you. Alright. Alina
Hi,
Tan.
Alina.
Hello.
Hi, hello.
Hi. I'm listening to Deepak, right? Thank you so much. Hear me loud and clear?
Alina, your line is very bad. I can't hear you properly.
Yeah, your voice breaking.
Yeah, because I'm driving. Is it? Sorry. Then I let other people go first, and then I'll try to find a.
No, I can hear you now. I can hear you now.
Thank you so much. I just joined Royal Q less than 2 weeks. Honestly, I'm seeing a lot of money, and it sounds to me it's kind of like genuine. I've been scammed before and all this, and thanks to my friend who actually brought me in. I have a quick question about Royal Q. I understood that it's actually from a China company, and the last I heard that it's actually in Singapore, and I'm actually based in Singapore. So, can somebody tell me that what is the company in Singapore that is actually owning this Royal Q application?
Actually, that one we also don't know yet, because they just very recently they applied in Singapore, and because of this pandemic and lockdown and everything, we haven't got the information. You just join our Telegram group. When the leaders get the information, they will post it over there. Alina, you there?
I think but she's gone already, bro.
Okay, we go to the next person.
Okay. So the next person, Sir Akman.
Hartman.
All right, bro.
All right, thank you. Well done for the presentation.
Welcome, bro.
I just wanted to have you explain again how the replenishment works. And then you skipped a part of the trade setting, the margin call, the earning callback and the buy-in callback, the earning callback and the buy-in callback. How does those parameters work as to setting up the trade?
Okay, what earning callback?
And also the replenishment.
Okay, guys, earning callback, I did explain this now. Yep. Earning callback means basically this is 1.3, right? You buy over here, price went up 1.3. It needs to wait for a 0.3% callback in order for it to close the position.
Okay, what about the buy-in callback?
Okay, buy-in callback, basically, if your settings is on what they call it cycle, let's say your setting is on cycle, then the bot will buy back again, right? So it will wait for a 0.5 callback. That means, remember earlier, you took profit at 1.3, it came down, it closed profit, that means you made 1%. Another 0.2, it goes down, the bot will buy again on cycle mode. This is what it uses. But guys, let me tell you, there is slippage. So you can't get it perfectly. But normally, what I realize is, even though I put 0.5, it ends up buying almost close to where I happen to enter. Yeah.
Oh, that's not good enough. All right, thank you. Thank you for the explanation anyway.
No problem. Thank you.
Okay, the next one will be Kingsley Academy. Hello, sir. Can you
hear me? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, okay. Thank you for this wonderful presentation. My question is, I'm here to bind my Binance to Royal Q. I want to know, how does Royal Q trade? Does it trade with all your assets, or you need to have USDT in your Binance before you trade with it?
You need to have USDT in your Binance spot wallet for you to trade.
I need to have USDT. It's only trade with USDT.
Yes.
Okay.
Correct.
That's what I want to know.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Yeah. Bye.
Okay, thank you, Kingsley. Okay, Mr. Tom. Mr. Tom. Yes, Mr. Tom.
Good day, everybody. Can you hear me?
Hey, Mr. Tom. Yep.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah, but a bit noisy. Yeah, carry on.
How much I want?
Okay. Okay, can you just please share your YouTube channel again? That's all I want.
Oh, Mr. Deepak, your YouTube channel again. Your Mr. Deepak name. Mr. Tom, sorry, your voice is breaking actually. Mr. Deepak, boleh dengar tadi?
Boleh. This is
dia
my
nak-
channel, guys.
Yes.
It's my name here, Deepak Ramji, or you just can search for Deepak Ramji.
Okay, all right, Mr. Tom. Thank you. Okay, the next one, Mr. Thank you Singh. Thank you Singh.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes, hello. Yeah.
Sir, most of the people have said that who is the owner of the company, because there is no any information on the website about the owners and about the company's profile.
Okay, sir. Let me explain to you this one. See, normally, sir, when we want to get involved in any investment, right, we want to know who is the owner. Why? Because we are sending our money to them, correct?
Yeah.
But in Royal Q, you are not sending your money to anybody, correct?
Okay.
Your money is going to be in your own Binance account, correct?
Yeah.
So you're just buying the bot for $100. So what I'm trying to say, sir, why we didn't take so much interest on who is the owner? We know the owner is from China, Chinese, but why we're not taking a lot of interest on the owner? Because our money is in our own Binance account. We are not sending our money to the owner, correct? Our capital.
Okay.
So our only risk is we buying the bot for 100 USD. But remember one thing, sir. Royal Q only makes money when you make money, correct?
Yeah.
So that's the beauty about not knowing even the owner, because our money is secured in our own Binance account. Now, if you ask me who's the owner of Binance, I know it's called CZ.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Thank
Sir,
you,
is
sir.
this company for long term?
Sir, it's long term, sir. Because very simple. The bot is very simple. The bot makes money for us. As long as the bot makes money for us, the bot makes money, correct? So it's for long term, sir. Don't worry, you won't wake up one morning and the bot won't be missing. If the bot go missing, you don't have to worry because your money is still in your Binance account.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Okay, let's have 2 more questions.
Okay, I think 2 more questions. Mr. 3D Crypto. Mr. 3D Crypto.
Hi there. Hello, Deepak. Hello, everyone. Congratulations, guys. Really good platform you have made. Number one. I'm basically you.
Sir, can't hear you.
Hello. Hello, Mr. 3D Crypto. Are you there? Suddenly.
Bro, ambil question dari MYK Rash.
MYK Rash. Okay. Okay, I just as a random, I take MYK Rash. Already unmute your voice. MYK Rash.
Yes, hi.
Okay, sir.
Hi, thanks to Deepak and team. Thank you for your presentation. Okay, I have just one question because I think basically I understand that the Binance is the one that is a platform that we put our capital in.
Yes.
I did not see how the process of us putting our money there. And the other thing is if we were to invest and there is a loss in a way in for example negative profit to it. So what happens to the Binance? Is there any deduction on our Binance or
no deduction?
No deduction.
Basically, it's like when you buy, for example, today you buy Ethereum in Binance itself. If the price go down, you just have to hold the coin until the price go up, right?
Yep.
Right.
It's the same thing, bro.
Okay. All right, Ken. Thank you very much.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
I think last question. Deepak.
Yeah, last question. Anybody lah?
Okay, last question. I think Mr. Vijay Kumar. Mr. Vijay Kumar, I'll unmute your mic. Mr. Vijay. Mr. Vijay. What?
Hello.
Okay. Yeah, carry on.
Yeah, sir. Yesterday I invested $8,800, but average I am getting 0.05, well, $0.5 only in the day. But it is a very small amount. So how can I handle this trouble, sir?
So what you are doing, copy trade or self trade?
Yeah, copy trade. I selected Avenger.
So
Last 2 days I didn't get much better, sir. So this is very small amounts I am getting.
okay, because can I know what is your setting? How many coins you open?
Yeah, there is two, sir. One is Doggy and another XRP.
How much your capital was? 8,000 USD.
800 USD. 800.
800 USD, sir.
Yeah.
So you 800 USD. My suggestion is you can open $20 for 2 coins. Did you open $20? Hello.
Mr. Vijay? Hello, Mr. Vijay?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I selected 10 and 2 piece.
You select 20 to 2 piece.
Okay. So one friend suggested me, you will do your own way, and I started my own way. Then I get today $5.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Just this is the, and if I select circle, this is I am getting very small amount. So is there any settings in there we have to do or nothing?
So basically the thing is the settings are no problem. You just put $20, open 2 coins.
Okay.
Okay,
sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. Bro, 3D crypto. Ambil 3D crypto. Tadi dia nak tanya question.
Okay, ST apa dah? 3D crypto. Okay, 3D crypto. I already unmute your mic. 3D crypto.
Yes, bro. Sorry about that. I got disconnected. So, hi guys. Congratulations. You guys are doing amazing work. I'm a YouTuber, crypto YouTuber. Have over 3,500 subscribers in mostly Europe and UK. I spoke about lots of platforms before, like leverage trading, margin trading, and everyone's scared of liquidation all the time. So I do video on Royal Q. Very good response. Already in maybe 48 hours, 10 people have joined the team.
Wow, congratulations, sir.
Congrats.
So my question to you guys is, have you thought any more about doing promotion more in Europe and in the USA?
Basically, sir, because the thing is, like we are also members just like you, right? We are also promoting just like you. So currently, because the most leaders are from Malaysia at the point, and we are currently on a lockdown and all. So the best we can do is this type of presentation, sir. Right? So we leave the market to you, sir.
No, I appreciate that. I like what you're doing. Very good platform. Only thing is, maybe you can speak to the people who have made the website just to kind of make it a little bit more presentable. I know it's lockdown. It might be a little bit more difficult, but in the future, if you can make it a little bit more presentable, like how you done your presentation now, if we can do something a little better, because some people, they look at the site and they think it's in Chinese language or Malay language, and they get a little bit put off. So I explained, I will give you my link. If you send me a message, I can send you the link to the video I done. You can search 3D crypto on YouTube. A full English video, half an hour, same like yours.
What is your channel, bro?
3D crypto.
What is your YouTube channel?
3D crypto.
Okay, fantastic. 3D.
And then I done half an hour presentation in English, explaining exactly what Deepak explained, all the API bind process. I explained how to get from Binance to Royal Q, and I also explained about the quantitative trading method. And I also done a very good introduction to how the bot works, and we can avoid liquidation, which is a very big selling point. No one else is doing anything like this.
Correct.
Fantastic. Yeah.
And I have spoken about so many different platforms on leverage trading, margin trading, and always the result is the same: liquidation. So if we can push this message, I honestly believe Royal Q has a very big future in Europe and also in the United States.
Thank you.
Thank you for your
And I will be joining you guys on the journey. I will be making more content. I will be promoting more on Royal Q. And if you guys need any help from me, feel free to contact me. I'm in the Royal Q Telegram chat as well. You can contact me via email or anything. So hopefully we'll speak soon, but keep up the great work, guys.
Thank you, bro.
Thanks, bro. Thank you. All right. Okay. So that's all, bro Deepak. I think.
Thank you, guys. First of all, I would like to thank everyone for being here today. And guys, sorry for all the inconveniences now.
Yep.
So that is all from me today. So join the Telegram group and all the best. Thank you. Bye.
All right, brothers and sisters, thanks a lot. A big hand to our brothers, Mr. Deepak, Ramji, our V3, for your guys' information. Thanks a lot for explaining to us regarding do and don'ts, brothers and sisters, especially once you're using the Royal Q. And thanks also for all our respective leaders for all your questions just now. And hopefully we can attend on that. All right. So next, we are going to the next session. This session is considered very important for a lot of us, because especially during the pandemic, okay, we are reluctant to meet each other, especially in Asia or Malaysia right now. It's total lockdown. Okay, so the second beauty about the Royal Q, beside of the trading purposes, okay, in order how we want to do a proper recruitment in affiliate reward programs. All right, guys. So without further delay, allow me to call upon our second host for today. Is considered no need a further introduction also. A lot of our international leaders know him well because he's considered the international leader, sport person, and I also with him representative Malaysia to go to Taiwan, Korea, South Korea, and Japan in order to penetrate market. So without further delays, give a round of applause to our big brother, our V4, Mr. King Gus. Yes, my brother.
Hi guys. Yes. How are you guys? Good evening, guys. Thank you for staying here. Okay, I hope you guys understand how Royal Q works, and thank you, Mr. 3D Crypto, for promoting Royal Q in Europe. Okay, I think this is like one of the good tools for people who like to start trade in crypto. So I think we just started for about 2.5 months. So as we can see, we have more than 50,000 members registered, and 20,000 have been activated their robot and get some benefit from the trading. So as we know, during this pandemic, right, a lot of people want to make an extra income, right? A lot of people want to participate in trading, right? It doesn't matter if you trade a stock market, if you check forex and crypto, and Royal Q is one of the best tool to help anybody. It doesn't matter if you know about crypto or if you're new about crypto, if you don't know about how to trade, but we have a lot of method how to trade in Royal Q, and either you can trade on your own. Okay, we just set up your account and trade, or you can do a copy trade, right? So there's many ways for you to earn profit from trading crypto in Royal Q. On top of that, you can earn an affiliate program for a second income in Royal Q other than trading, right? So as we know, once you start making money on autopilot, when you start earning a profit, of course you want to share with your friend, right? Because there's a lot of people that newbies in trading and newbies in crypto. When they see us, when they set up their account, they start making some profit, right? So they want to share with their friend. So how much can you make in Royal Q? What is the benefit? Okay, how much can you earn from the Royal Q? You know, that do you only earn one time, or you can earn recurring income? Okay, before that, I would like to share my screen. So you can go to your screen, or you can go to your Royal Q apps. Okay, let me show you here. Okay, you can go to Royal Q apps. Okay, this is, as you can see at the bottom, this is the menu. You have go home, quantitative, circle, news, and you can go to mine. Okay, when you go to mine, you saw on top there is a VIP, right? You see there is a VIP. Right, this is the VIP. Right, you can click at the VIP.
Okay, you can click at, hold on. Okay. Okay, you can click at the VIP, right? Now you can open. Okay, once you click the VIP, you can start seeing, okay, you can start seeing how you can earn in Royal Q. Okay, how much can you earn in Royal Q, right? Right. Okay. Okay, as you can see here, once you become a members, you are a VIP members. We call it V1. Okay, this is a V1. Okay. Okay. This is a V1. Okay. When you become a V1, okay, what you can earn when you join a VIP members, okay, you only need to pay $100 for 1 year rental. Okay, $100, only $100, right? There's only one package. There's no other additional package, right? Only $100. Everybody pay $100 for 1 year to use Royal Q. Okay. Once you become a VIP, right? Once you become VIP, you will start earning 30%. Right? 30%. That means when the people activate their account for $100, you earn $30. Right? $30 every time people activate their account. On top of that, from their trading, okay, okay, can you see my writing? Okay, from their trading, you can earn another 20%. Okay, how does this work, right? Let's see. Why? Hold on.
Oh, tak nampak boh. Awak tulis apa?
Sekejap.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. When you start trade, okay, you will earn 20% from their profit, okay, from their fuel fee or gas fee. Okay, how does this work? Okay, for example, if your friend make $100 profit, okay, if your friend that you refer to make $100 profit, Royal Q will charge 20% for their service fees, right? So Royal Q charge you $20. On top of this $20, you earn another 20%. So you earn $4. Just imagine every time your friends that you refer make a profit, you earn another 20% from the 20% charges that Royal Q charge them. Okay. So if they make more trade a day, so you will earn more. Every time they close the trade, you will earn the profit. This is like a recurring commission from their trading. Just imagine if they can make more trade per day, right? You will earn more. Okay. For example, let me show you some example. How much can you make, right? Okay. For today, as you can see, Bitcoin has increased up to $36,000. Okay. So my trade today have reached 99 trade per day. Okay. Average people will make about 35 trade per day per person, right? For 30 days, okay, because we are trade crypto, Saturday, Sunday also. So there will be about 1,000 trade per person, right? If you have 1,000 people in your team members, there will be 1 million total trade per month. If you only earn 0.01 cent, so you will make about $10,000 a month. If you reach only 50%, you make about $5,000 recurring income per month. This is the good thing about Royal Q. You can make a recurring income from your friend's trade. Okay, so once you have qualified, okay, to go to the next rank. So the next rank will be V2. Okay, how can you reach a V2 level? Okay, what you need to do is you only need to refer 3 of your friends. Okay, your direct referral. You need to refer at least 3 of your friends. On top of that, you can have 20 team members from your team. Okay, or you can refer directly 20 people directly. You also can reach a V2. Okay, this is where the money starts when you reach a V2. Okay, when you reach a V2, okay, when you reach a V2, as you can see, your commission has increased to 40%. Okay, and your trading, your team reward increased to 30%. So how does this work? Okay, let's say you are a V2 members, right? You are a V2, right? You refer your friend A, okay? He joined $100, you will earn $40, right? Of course, A get excited when he can make money on their auto trade, right? So he will refer his friend B, right? A refer his friend B. On top of that, A will earn $30. Not when A refer B, you will earn $10. That's the difference. Okay, because now you already earn 40%. Okay, when A earn 20% from the trade, okay, you will earn 10% from the trade. Okay, from the trade. Just imagine A also want to become B2. He referred 20 of his friend. So you earn $10 times 20 people. So you earn $200 from A team, right? From the whole team, when A refer as many people, you earn $10. If A refer 20 people, then you will earn about $200 from A team. Okay. What happened next? Okay. Of course, when you become a V2, your friend also want to become a V2. This is the good thing on RoyalQ. In order for you to rank up, you need to help your friend to be the same rank like you, right? So what is the requirement? The requirement is you need to refer 5 users. Just now you have 3, you need to add another 2, total of 5. You don't need to add another 5, right? It's not like 3 plus 5. Add another 2%. When you have 5 direct refer, and you have at least 3 of your team members, right? 3 of your 3 members become V2. Very easy, guys. You can refer 3%. You help them to become a V2, okay? And you have 100 in your team members, right? When you have this requirement, you have direct referral 5, you have your 3 friends to become V2, and you have 100 people that activate, not registered. They must be activate members, right? You will go to the next rank, that means a V3, right? Okay, you will become a V3. What happened when you become a V3? When you become a V3, this is what happened, guys. Your commission increased to 50%. Just imagine every time people register RoyalQ $100, you earn $50, guys. This is huge, right? This is huge, $50, right? So example, you are V3 right now. You are V3, right? You are V3. You refer your friend just now, right? You will earn $50, right? When A do the same thing, he refer B, he just B1, he get $30 and you earn $20, right? How about on the trading? On the trading, A will earn 20%, okay, and you will earn another 20% because your rank is 40% on their trading, right? Because when A become a V2, right, you have at least 100 members in your team. Just imagine from 100 people trade, you earn another 20% from their fuel fees, right? Okay. On top of that, the good thing is RoyalQ, when you become a V3, of course, you want to help your friend to become a V3, right? What happens when you are a same rank with your team, right? Don't worry, RoyalQ will give another 5% PS award from their trading. Just imagine every V3 members, they have 100 people in their teams. From their trading, you will earn another 5%. You will earn another 5%. You don't have to worry when they have the same rank like you, right? Okay, what's next, right? Once you become a V3, you need to refer another 8%. That's how you refer 5, just need another 3. So you have 8 of your direct referral. This is a requirement. You have to have 8 in your direct referral, okay? And then you do the same thing. You have your 3 of your friend to become a V3, same like you, right? On top of that, you need to have 300 in your team members, okay? Some people say, how can I get a 300 people in my team? There's a lot of members I need to get. You don't have to worry, guys. Let me get back when you are becoming V2, because everybody wants to become V3, they will bring 100 people in their teams. So when you want to have 3 of your team members, okay, when you have 3 of your team members become V3, everybody will bring 100 people in their team. So you will have this in their team. That's why you need to have your 3 leaders to become a V3, and they will bring along their 100 people, and you have 300 in your team members. So you don't have to worry about the team. Okay, once the people reach a V3 members, they will have 100 people in their team. And when you have 3 people, you will have 300 people in your team. Okay, so when you have all these requirements, okay, 8 users, 3 and 300 members, you will go to the next ranks, V4. Okay, what happened when you become a V4? This is what happened when you become V4. Your commission increased to 60%, right? And your team reward increased to 50%. Okay, 50%, guys. Okay, let me show some example. You are a V4 members, right? You refer your friends, right? You earn $60, right? $60, right? When A refer to his friend, he earned $30, right? And you will earn another $30 in their team. Okay, A will earn 20% on their trading, but you will earn 30%, yes, on their trading. Because what? Because you are earning 50% on team reward, guys. Just imagine every V4, they will bring 300 members. So you will earn another 20% from their team members, right?
Yep.
Sense, eh? But on top of that, what happened when you are a V4 and your friend also want to become V4? You still earn another 5% from their team members. So just imagine every V4 they have 300 in your team, you earn another 5% from their team, yes, from their trading. This is your recurring income, right? So what is next? Yeah, next you go to next level is V5. What is the requirement? You need to have 12 users. Just now you have 8, you need to plus another 4. So you have 12. Okay, you just add another 4, right? So when you have this, when you have 12 users and you have your same leaders, right? When they become a V3, of course they want to become a V4. Okay, so you need to have 3 members also to become a V4 and 800 in your team. That's why I told you, you don't have to worry about the members. Because why? Because every V4, they will bring 300 people. When you have 3 V4, that means you have 900. So you have more than you're required to become a V5. So you have 800 people in your team. When you have 800 people in your team, so you will go to the next level and V5. Okay, when you become a V5, your commission is 65%, right? Okay, your team reward increased 55%. This is huge. Let's say you are V5, right? You are V5, okay? When you refer your friend A, you get $65, right? So when A refer B, he make $30, but you will earn $35, guys. This is the good thing when you help your team. You will earn more when you help your team. A will earn 20% on their team, you earn 35% from their trading. So you will earn more by helping your team. That's why this is the good thing about Royal Q. The more people you have, the more you can earn, right? And in order for you to go to the next rank, you must help them to be the same rank like you, right? You must help them. Okay, you must like help them to be the same rank. You must have at least 3 people in your team. Okay.
Yep.
For you, some people are worried. What if my team can same level like me? Don't worry, guys. You still earning another 5% from the whole group. Just imagine V5 have 800 people in your team, and then you have you earn another 5% from their trading, guys. This is a recurring income. Okay, so for the highest rank in Royal Q is V6, right? V6. What is the requirement? Only 20 users, right? So that's why from the beginning, if you understand this, why don't you refer directly 20 people from the beginning? Because when you refer 20 people, you will become V2, right? So it is also you, because when you are V1, you only earn a direct referral. You don't earn from your team. Okay, if you refer 20 people, you earn direct referral from them, right? And when you refer 20 people, you will become a V2 because that's the requirement for become a V2. Only 20 people in your team, right? So, and you need to have the same thing. Only 3 people in your team to become a V5. So you will go to the highest rank because right now in Royal Q, we only have V5. We don't have a V6 yet, okay? Because we are still new, right? So when you become a V6, what happened to you guys? When you 70%, just imagine every time people activate their account $100, you earn $70. This is 70%, guys. You are V6, right? You are V6. When you refer A, okay, you earn $70, guys, right? $70. And when A refer B, he earned $30, you will earn $40. You will earn more by helping more people. On under trading, A will earn 20%, right? But you will earn 40% on their trading because you're qualified for 60%. Okay. On peer award reward, still the same, but the best thing is this is like a global dividend from the whole team. You will earn another 5%. Okay, we will earn from everybody in the royal groups. We earn another 5 will distribute to the whole people that qualified to become a V6. So that means everybody, if we have everybody right now, we will earn 5% from the whole team in Royal Q. So that's the good thing in Royal Q, right? So let me show you some example. Let me show you some example how that work. You can use details, okay? If you want to see how the Royal Q use the breakdown for the okay. In Royal Q, they do all the detail on the okay. As you can see, they have an activation on your direct team on your team qualification. This is from your direct referral. This is from the whole team up to infinity. Right? There's no limit. Right? There's no limit. Right? So let me show you some example. Right? Okay. From the activation, okay, they will give you the activation. Okay. This is like, let me show you how you earn from the activation. As you can see, I'm a V4 right now. So I will earn $10 from my V3 leaders, right? When the V3 refer their friends, okay, they earn $50. I will earn another $10 overriding from their team, right? This is like from activation alone. So as you can see, every time people activate their account, you will earn $10. Just imagine if they have 100 people activated in a day, you will earn $100. Right, guys? Okay. On top of that, I see from my direct team, from my direct team trade. Okay. This is from my direct team trade. As you can see, every time they make profit, you will earn recurring income. Let me show you this. Okay, this is a Starboss. This is Starboss. He make profit. Royal Q will pay me instantly from their profit. So you will earn instantly. As you can see here, there are many people make profit today, right? There are many people who make profit because Bitcoin price have increased to 36,000, right? When every time they close trade, you will earn a commission from their trade. It's not much, guys. As you can see here, it's not much. It's only like 1 cent, okay, 1.5 cent, 1 cent, okay, 1 cent, but it's reoccurring. Okay, if like 10, 30, 51, 10, 30, 39, 10, 30, 27, 10, 30, 27. So every second when people make money, the Royal Q will pay you instantly from their profit. Okay, the good thing in Royal Q, when people make profit, you earn your commission. That's a good thing. That means when we make profit, people make profit, right? So this is on my direct. If the whole, okay, this is for the whole team trade that we earn for today. So for today, I earn about $141 from their trade. Okay, as you can see here, there are many people make profit today, guys. There are many people make profit. Okay, you can see here, even though it's not much, it's only 0.002, not even 1 cent. It's not much, guys. This is like 4 cents. This is like 3 cents. This is 1 cent. But the good thing, every time they close trade, look at the time, guys. Look at the time. Look at the time, guys. At 10:52 alone, I earn like so much commission, right? This is like in 1 minute, right? 10:32, 10:52, 39 seconds. So as you can see, there are many people close their trade, right? And the good thing is Royal Q pay you instantly, guys. The Royal Q pay you instantly. If you can look at the timestamp, 10:52. Okay, this is at 10:52. Just imagine 36 seconds, 38 seconds, right? 10:36. It's like at 1 minute alone, 37 seconds, 37 seconds. When people are make profit, you will earn the profit. This will be your recurring income when people make profit, right? This is the good thing on Royal Q. You will earn from the whole team, guys. The whole team in your team, right? So this is the good thing when you have recurring income on top of activation. Of course, activation only $100 per annum. Next year, when people renew Royal Q, you will earn again, right?
Yeah.
Do you think people will renew if they can see profit? guess what happened to the price for next year in 1 year time, right? As you can see here, there's a lot of people making profit. When people make profit, you will earn your affiliate commission. So where you can see your team, okay? In order for you to see your qualification, some people always ask me, do I qualify or not? You click at the team, okay? You go to the mine, click at the team, you will see your team qualification, okay? Most people, okay, this is what you need to see, right? Some people, this is people who registered, they are not activated yet. This is the activated people. I only refer like 70 people, 80 people, but 55 activated their account. That means this 55 person pay $100 to activate their account. But I have team of 2,769 people that activated from the whole team. But I have another 4,200 that not activated yet. That's why I told you, this is where you see either you are qualified or not. Some people said, I already referred 20 people, but only 1 people that activated, right? I have the whole team of 20 people, but only 10 people that activated. So this is where you can see, do you qualify for the rank, right? When you see, when you are qualified, Royal Q will show the rank on top of here. So you will see your rank here, right? You will see your rank here, right? Okay, sorry. You will see your rank here. Then you will see either you are become V1, V2, V3, V4, or V5. This is where you see your rank in Royal Q. However, how you want to check either your team have rank up, okay? You can go to my team, okay? You go to my team, you go at the bottom here, direct referral, okay? You need to see your direct referral. You can see how many people already qualified for the rank, okay? This is for you to monitor. Let's say you want to become V3, you need to have 2 V2, right? So you see here, and this is their team members, how many in their team members, right? So this is a very, detailed information, okay, very detailed information. You can see all the detailed information here, okay? How many people have ranked up, how many people in their team. So you will see all the detail here, right? As you can see, I have like V3, right? How many people have become V3, how many people have ranked up, every detail will be laid out in your team. So you don't have to worry if you have any issues on the rank. So you check your direct qualification, you take our team qualification. If you have any problem, you can go to Royal Q Feedback. I think they have a good support system, right? You go to Royal Q Feedback, okay? You can ask them any question, okay? You can ask them any question, okay? I'll be asking them if you have some technical issue, you can like click and ask them all the information that you want to ask, okay? So as you can see, we have a lot of benefit in Royal Q, right? We have a lot of benefit for become an affiliate, right? And the commission is very significant, guys. It's huge. Even when you started for $100, you can earn $30 on every people activate your account, right? There are three most important things that people need in Royal Q, right? Everybody wants to make some profit, even though they are new to trade, right? As you can see, Royal Q have one of the best tools, okay? I said one of the best tools to trade in crypto. So they will make profit on autopilot. Number 2, okay, people don't want to lose money, right? As you know, when you trade crypto, you're not gonna MC your account. If you trade Forex or stock market, you know, when you use leverage, most of the time you lose your capital, right? But in Royal Q, when you trade, your money is safe in your Binance account. The robot will buy the coin. If the market drop, you still have the unit, but you reduce in value. Same right now. When you have 1 Bitcoin, when the price was 60,000, now Bitcoin price at 36,000, you still have your 1 Bitcoin. It's the same thing. When Royal Q buy the coin, you can see the coin is in your Binance. You still have the unit coin in your Binance. You only lose the value, but you still have the unit. So you don't have to worry. That means you won't lose your capital. You only lose your value. Right? Number 3 is very easy. What you need to do, you need to set up your account. As you can see here today, Bitcoin price have increased. See, I'll make about another $52, right? What I need to show you, you can see there are so many coins that have closed trade, right? So this is all on automation. I only need to choose the coin and let the robot do the trading. What you need to do, you just do the setup. And what coin you want to buy? Because we have more than 70 coin in Royal Q, right? It's very easy. You can choose as many coin that you want to buy. Okay, there are still coins that making profit. Of course, there are some coins that still floating because I buy when the price was 40,000. It doesn't matter because I have the coin in Binance. I don't have to worry. I won't lose any units in Binance, but I have the unit in Binance, but I can wait for the price to increase. But there are coins because we have more coins. That's why I said sometimes people only buy 10 coins. We have more than 70 coins. You can buy right now which coin that you want to trade. So guys, as you can see, the more people you share, the more people you can earn. Okay, you need to refer to these Royal Q member centers for you to understand more how much can you earn in Royal Q, right? Because right now during this pandemic, a lot of people want to make money from home, right? A lot of people want to find some alternative to make money in crypto, right? So there are people who are new in crypto. There are people who just an hodler, right? So there are people who want to learn how to trade their coin. But Royal Q is one of the best tool with this app, right? You can just share with your friend, show your profits, right? Sometimes people just register their Royal Q, link up with Binance or whoever, then they will see a profit without doing anything. Just choose the coin that you want to trade. So from that, you can see how much you make from the Royal Q trade. Then you can start sharing your result with your friend. We have more than 20,000 people have activated their account, have show some result, and they also people make some good money in their affiliate program. Because there are people who don't really have money to trade, right? I have find those people, right? They say I don't have money to trade, but I can promote Royal Q because it's only $100, right? You just pay $100 and you promote the Royal Q, and when people register, when you have one person, you get $30, right? Just this is a simple example. Sometimes people say I don't have money to trade. Don't worry. If you refer one person, you make $30. When if you refer 4 person, you make $120. So with this $120, you use $20 to pay your gas fee and $100 for you to trade in Binance. So you can use that commission to top up your account in Binance to start trading. On top of that, when people say when market drop, what you can do a replenish. Okay, you can replenish to reduce your floating, or you can do replenish to increase your profit. Right, both way you can do it. But people some said they don't have much capital. Normally, I use my commission to top up my investment in Binance with my commission. So from that, I can buy more coins. I can replenish more. I can make more profit. I can reduce more floating, right? This is a good thing in Royal Q. This is like a second income. You can make money from your trading and you get money from refer your friend in Royal Q. So I think this is one of the best trading tool right now. It's affordable. It's $100. I think it's affordable in many countries. It's affordable, right? So, and the commission is huge, guys. For a start, you earn 30%, $30, right? It's huge, right? In Malaysia, we are like time 4. It's 120 ringgit. So that's it for me from Royal Q. I hope you can share this with many friends. There's a lot of YouTubers. I'll start promoting us because we are new. We are just new. We are from Asia, right? I hope like Mr. 3D Crypto will keep on promoting Royal Q in Europe, right? So we also have more YouTubers in Malaysia start promoting Royal Q because we are still new. Okay, there's not so many people know about us. From our team, we only have like only 50,000 people registered and 30,000 people activate their accounts. So we need more people. At least they need to try Royal Q. They can try because for you to trade one coin is only $10. It's only $10 for you to trade, right? It's only $10. You can try, see? So this is one of the best tool, affordable. There's so many people can try and experience the Royal Q and keep on sharing from around the world, guys. You can see the sky, but you don't know the limit. But this Royal Q is already helped a lot of people change their life. Okay, so keep on promoting, keep on sharing. There's a lot of people looking ways for making money, right? Right now, we'll be spending, make money from home, use your social media. Okay, we use Zoom to reach a lot of people around the globe right now. We have Zoom call almost every day. So this is our English session. We have in Malay session, we have in Indonesia languages, and we can have more language to do a Zoom call. So thank you very much.
Thank you. Bro, kita open soalan sikit 1, 2.
Boleh.
Alright, so thanks a lot to our brother Kingas. Alright, guys, I will open, I think because of the lack of the time, I think I'll allow for 2 questions. Number 1 is Mr. Mahendra. Mr. Mahendra, can you hear us? Hello, Mr. Mahendra, I already unmute your mic.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yes.
Can income sharing before?
Pardon?
Before rank income sharing can?
Before income sharing. Mr. Kingas, dia minta sharing income.
Okay.
And possible to V5 also?
Come again?
Pardon?
And also possible to V5 income sharing.
V5. V5 or
V4 and V5.
Okay,
V4.
okay. I only right now my rank is only V4. So if you want to see, this is like the reward details. Okay. This is that. Let me show you. Okay, this is a reward the detail that I earned since 2 months ago, since April. So this is some of the earning that I earn every day. Okay, from Royal Q. Okay, normally I use this commission to top up my trade to buy more coins, right, during this pandemic. So this is basically some of the reward that you can earn in Royal Q.
Fantastic.
All right. So another question.
Yeah, another question. Okay, Mr. Tony Kusa. Tony Kusa, kindly ask a question. I already unmute your mic, Tony. Hello, Tony. Are you there, or else I have to go to the next person?
I'm there. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes,
Cannot, Mr. Tony.
Okay, my problem goes like this. We are in Nigeria. You know, online business is interested, but we are afraid because you keep money. At the end of the day, they will tell you the business have failed. So I don't know how guarantee is this very business that you are told about this. I want to know much about it and I want to invest.
All right. So, Mr. Tony, let me explain to you. Right? Of course, there are a lot of people already involved in a lot of investment platform, right? Investment platform. As you know, Royal Q is a tool for you to trade, right? It's a tool. Just remember that, right? It's a tool for you to trade, right? It's a tool for you to trade. Okay. Most important things, your capitals are in your Binance account, right? You don't give your money in Royal Q. The only thing that you pay in Royal Q is the $100 for activation, and you deposit another $20 for your fuel fee or gas fee, right? So that's the only thing that you deposit in Royal Q, okay? So all your money are in Binance, right? In Binance, right? Okay, maybe you have some experience that give money for the company to trade your money, right? But in Royal Q this is purely trading based on market, right? Right? So they don't have a fixed income every day. Right? But your capital is in Binance. Like, I just want to show you this. I just want to show you this. Okay, not this one. Okay. Let me show you thing for you to understand how does this thing work. Okay. Let me show you the trading report. Okay. Okay. As you can see here. Okay. This is all my money in Binance, right? This is all my money are trading in Binance. You see, all my money are traded in Binance. Okay, this is the transaction. Okay, why I need to show you the transaction? Okay, how much money can you make? Okay, as you can see here, every time it close trade, I make about 1%. Okay, per coins per trade. Okay, I make average of 1%, 1.36%, 0.79, 0.9. This thing strategy that means I'm a copy trade. I can trade on my own, and I also copy trade from the traders in Royal Q, right? So as you can see, I make like almost like average of 1% every time it goes trade.
Okay, sometimes I make 2.41%. Okay, all this profit from every coin that been traded in Binance, and all the coin are in Binance. Okay, it's not in Royal Q. We don't put our money in Royal Q, right? So as you can see, I can make 1% per trade because some company they only offer you 1% per day, but you can make 1% per trade, right? Average of 1% per trade. But sometimes I can earn more than 1%. Yeah, sometimes I can earn more than 1%. So as you can see here, all your money are secured in Binance. Is in your control. Okay, you control your money. You don't give your money to anybody. How much money you want to trade is up to you. Your money is secure in Binance. That's the difference between Royal Q and other platforms that have you joined. Okay, as you can see here, I can trade on my own. I can copy trade with some of the traders. I can go here. Okay, you can heal to the circle. Okay, you can heal to circle. Okay, there are so many traders here. Okay, there are so many traders. Okay, I'm following this AI Star Boss. Okay, Star Boss. Okay, how much Star Boss make? He already make 1,300 profit, right? So what I need to do, like Deepak showed just now, you can copy the traders, right? You can copy the traders. Okay, you can put, because I already synced my account. So these traders have traded all this coin. Okay, I can choose how much I want to copy. Let's say I want to copy only $100. How many coins I want to trade? Let's say I want to trade 5 coins from these traders. So I put $100 and 5 coins. They only trade $100 from my Binance and only 5 coins, right? The rest of the coins I will trade on my own. So you have so many options. You can use trade on your own, or you can. If you don't know how to trade, there are so many traders you can follow here in circle. There are so many traders you can look in here, so you can follow them. You can follow trade. Of course, when you follow trade with the traders, some traders are very low risk trade. Okay, they don't take so much profit, right? So some traders are very high risk trader. You can follow them. You look at them. Say you can look at them. Okay, let's say this is Star Boss. I following him. He already made 1,300. So you can follow people to trade, but the good thing is your money are in Binance, so you don't have to worry about you losing money, like other company that you have involved. You give that money, you give your crypto to other companies, they give you certain percentage, and when they close your company, you will lose your capital. But this is your money are in Binance, right? So that's it. Thank you very much.
Thank you for Mr. Gas for answering the question. Bro, one more. Is it possible?
Okay. Boleh.
Okay, I will be allowed Mr. Cyclo. Is it right, Cyclo? I already unmute your mic.
Yes. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening in here, bro. All right.
I'm calling from Ghana.
Yes, sir. How are you?
Hello, Ghana.
Yes. Yes, Ghana is doing well. A friend just introduced it to me. However, this afternoon I joined the Zoom meeting, wanted to know more about the company. Though I joined late, but I think the education given is enough. The question I was going to ask is similar to the one that my Nigerian guy asked about the security, the sustainability of the company. However, you have assured us that once our trading capital is going to be in our Binance account, we need not to fear. Good. Now, the second question that I want to find out is, in terms of percentage, how much can you make at the end of a month? Are you going to make 20%, 30% of your money in Binance account? Then secondly, if I decide not to use the boat for trading, can there be a situation where I can go and do the manual trading and go loss? These are the two questions that I want to find out. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Cyclo.
Okay, this is how it works, Mr. Cyclo. Okay, when you trade in Binance, okay, when you trade crypto, okay, you are trade spot. Okay, you don't trade futures, right? There's a two different thing, right? Spot only one way, buy low, sell high, right? When you buy the coin, you know you have the coin in Binance, right? If you want to trade manually, when the price increase, you need to close your trade. Same like in Royal Q. When you setting your profit, okay, you can set your profit. It's up to you, or you can do by default, okay? Like I show you just now, okay, I set my profit, let's say my take profit is about 1.5%. This is how I do. By default is 1.3%, right? Different people have different ways of trading. right? Okay, because as you can see right now, the percentage that I made is based on the coin that I trade, right? For example, if one coin you trade for $10, 1% is only 10 cents, right? If you trade for $100, 1% is $1. If you trade for $1,000, 1% is $10, right? The good thing in Royal Q, okay, let me show you this. The good thing in Royal Q, I can set a cycle mode. Okay, what does a cycle mode mean? Okay, as you can see here, when I set a cycle mode, okay, when I set the cycle mode, okay, when I set a cycle mode, okay, as you can see here, I has been closed few coins, okay, SLP, XEM, YFI, YFII, XMR, ETC, ETC. Okay, you can see here, I closed trade ETC 3 times because I set on the cycle mode, right? Every time it close trade, it will buy again. Okay, so ETC. Okay, how many times I close my ETC today? IOTA, ETC, FTT, Link, YFI again, BTC. Okay, because BTC just increased right now. ETC, FTT, Sun, FTT. Okay, let me show you the ETC. Right? Okay, let me show you how many times we can close trade. Okay, I go to ETC. Right? Okay, let me show you ETC. Right? Okay, ETC. Right? Ethereum Classic. So this is my transaction record. Okay, this is my transaction record. Okay, when I set cycle, every time I buy, it close automatically. When it sell and it buy again, it sell again and it buy again and it sell again and it buy again. So I don't have to monitor, right? As you can see here, sometimes I make 0.62%, sometimes I make 2.4% because sometimes the price go, the price go up, spike very fast. Then sometimes it hit 2.4%, even though I said 1.5%. Sometimes I make 1.19%, 1.3%, 1%. It depends on the coin that you trade and it depends on your capital. How much your entry, okay, your first entry, how much that you set, okay? As you can see here, average of 1%, right? Okay, why I have some manual buy? When I see the price is going up, I will add more. I will buy more, okay? I will buy more. So I can earn more, I can earn more profit. That's a good thing in Royal Q. As you can see here, I have manual buy. Why is manual buy? Because my first entry is always $10, right? Because I want to see if the coin is going up, okay? The coin is bullish. When the coin is bullish, I buy more at the coin. So that's why I can earn more. So let's say this one I buy like say $10, but I add, when I see it's going up, I add another $200, right? But what happened when the price going down? Don't worry, because we set the martingale system. The Royal Q will buy when the price is dropped. Okay? So we already set everything in Royal Q to do an automatic. So this is like my setting. Okay. This is like my setting. Okay, you can do a default setting or you can set your own setting, depend on your how you trade, right? Different people have different strategies, right? So this is how I set. My first buy is only $10. I have 7 times for the martingale. I might take profit ratio, I set higher with 1.5. By default is 1.3. My earning callback is 0.1. By default is 0.3. It depends how you trade and how much money you want to make during the trade, right? Okay, if you want to earn more, you can buy on your first entry level, you can buy high, right? You can buy more, right? So I set $10 from the at the first entry. When I see the price shoot up, I will buy more, right? So I can earn more profit. Because I said, like I told you, if you set $10 for your first entry, because that's the minimum requirement, if you make 1%, you only make 10 cents, right? What if you can make 10 times, right? You can make 10 times, right? Like I show you the transaction record, right? So what if I can make more? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if I can, if the system buy more, okay, when the price spike, it will close and buy, close and buy, close and buy. So this is based on one entry. So if I have more coins, if each coin can make 1%, just imagine that how much I can make, right? That's why I said, if you want to make some profit, it depends, because you can see there are 70 coins you can choose from the Royal Q, right? So what is the strategy for you to choose the coin? Okay, let me show you. You will look at the increase because today all Bitcoin price is going up. All coins are increase. Okay, most of the time I can choose the one that have red in increase, right, at the bottom, right. But now every coin have shoot out and green, right. So let's say, for example, this I see a BTC increase 0.5%. I have balance of $300. So what I can do, I can replenish. I can add more. Let's say I want to put $200. I can buy another $200 for trade. For I can add on more. So the return the percentage have increased. So I add another $300. So as you can see here, that's why I buy more. So let's say for at the beginning I buy only $10. But when I can see the Bitcoin price has increased, I buy another $500. So when it closed trade, I got 1.1% from $500. So I make $5. So automatically the Royal Q will buy again another $10, right? So when it increase, it will close the trade, right? So when I see the price have increased, I will buy more by do a replenish. So I do manual buy to buy more when I see the price going up. So this is how you manage your trade. You can do automatically, or you can do a semi-auto. You can do this replenish button to buy. You can do a replenish button to buy more as Sam can when he was in the market, right? So this is how you make more profit. Okay. Thank you very much.
Fantastic. Okay, bro. I think that's all first. All right. Okay,
Okay,
brother.
thank you very much. So I hope I answer all your questions. For the next speaker is my mentor. He will taught me a lot of things, how to make money from home, how to make money online. And this Pusham will be the millionaire who worked from home for the past few years, right? He will explain how his experience, how he managed his clothing and still make profit when market varies. Thank you very much.
Fantastic. Thanks. A very big thanks to our bro Kingas for well-versed explanation. I do hope we answer a lot of our brothers. So sorry for the rest. Okay, but no worries. You can follow our YouTube special live streaming. All right. So okay, guys. Before we go to our special appearance, our special agenda for today, I would like, on behalf of the team, I would like to make some announcement. Okay, on behalf of the team. Okay, attention to all our great brothers and sisters, our great leaders. We just receiving a good news from the Royal Q. All right. Number one announcement. Our head office, Royal Q, will be operate in Taiwan officially, approximately on the middle of July. That means by next month, guys. Middle of July will be we are having the head office in Taiwan. And the good news, beside that, all members are allowed to visit the Royal Q head office in Taiwan with rank V4, with the rank V4 and above only, guys, at this moment, to receive a special invitation from the Royal Q to visit our office in Taiwan. Very congrats to all the V4. All right. Okay. But no worries, guys. We have a lot of time. Okay. And on top of that, Royal Q will be also operate in Singapore. But unfortunately, only staff and IT and programmer only are allowed to enter the Singapore office. All right. So if consider answer the question from our earlier sis just now regarding based on the Singapore. And last but not least, Royal Q also waiting the licensee in the cryptocurrency branding and technology from United States of America. And by the middle of July also, all the Royal Q main office will be make a Zoom meeting with all the user with the rank V4 and above by using Royal Q Zoom apps. Okay, our own Zoom apps by Royal Q. This is a very fantastic news, guys. Okay, and I do believe all my statement just now will be appear in your correspondent call leader WhatsApp group. Okay, no worries. Okay, will be shared to you to your guys later on. Okay, so now came to our main agenda for today. So without further delay, kindly allow me to welcome our special guest for today. As Mr. Kingas already mentioned, is considered our master, our mentor for a lot of some of us in our Royal Q board. Okay, he's well known in the online marketing, especially in Malaysia. And it's true, guys. He's a self-made millionaire, just in the online. So how long he'll be involved? We can hear from him himself. So without further delay, all brothers sisters, give a big hands to our special reference for today, Master Sifu Sam. Yes, Sifu, adakah anda di situ?
Okay, Duke. Thank you, Duke Achan. I've been following the Zoom call since the last 2 hours.
Thank you for your patience.
It all started with 200 plus people, and now left only 106. Okay, so this is the normal thing, that not everybody will stick to the Zoom call to learn until the end. All of you who stay up until now, congratulations, so that I can share some of the knowledge in the online world. Okay, so I believe every one of you here who join Royal Q and who are still in this Zoom call are serious about making money, correct? Yeah.
Correct.
So now, I am not a trader. I've been telling this in all my videos. It's the truth. I am not a trader, and I'm not qualified to tell you about trading. But I'm learning along the way, and I'm getting better and better every day. So Royal Q have helped me to know what is trading of cryptos. This is something that the $100 is so cheap to me. The $100 I paid for Royal Q is damn cheap, because the knowledge that I have now about trading value so much more than $100. So from my track record, even though I don't know how to trade, let me see my track record here. From Royal Q trading without any knowledge, without any prior experience, I made about $22,678 in trading profit.
Wow. Alhamdulillah.
A person without having any knowledge in trading, I've never done any crypto trading. So with the help of Royal Q board, I paid $100. I can make $22,678. So is it a good investment or not? Yeah. It's definitely, you must think that way. Be positive. Okay. So now there are two income streams in Royal Q. Even though my main income usually in the networking. When you talk about networking, that is my main field. That is my expertise, building a network. Okay, so now you have two income streams when you pay the $100 for the bot. So now I've proven to you, even if you don't know how to trade, after listening to the speakers like Deepak Ramjit,
Mr. Deepak.
He have done a good job. I like to listen to his presentation. It's very simple and straightforward. That is for a layman to understand. So I've been listening to the recording, everything. I'm learning along the way. So I made some mistakes during the trading because I'm a bit overexposed, because I'm a high risk taker. That's why I can make $22,000 in trading without any knowledge. So, but from the mistake that I've been doing, that time market was bullish. I made a lot of money. So when the market turned bearish, that's where I have floating losses. So now, first I learned how to to trade. Then yes, I've proven I make 22,000. So now I'm learning how to turn my losses into profit. Which the latest update by Royal Q is fantastic. They give us when you want to replenish, they give you the percentage, everything. Wow, that is damn good, guys. You must learn how to capitalize on that. No? Yesterday, I closed about 6 trades, which are about 30% or 40% loss. And today alone, it's only 7 trades I closed, which are around 40% loss. I learned from the videos, and I learned from the replenishment method. When you click replenishment, then you can see, you put in, let's say, $1,000, you can see how much is the floating loss. And these are the things that you need to learn. I'm just pinpointing that. So now I can make a conclusion here that nobody will lose money when they use Royal Q to trade crypto. This is my conclusion. If you are still new, you just have to believe this. Number one is to believe. You are not, nobody is going to lose money in Royal Q when they use the bot to trade for them. Even if you have a floating loss, that is a floating loss. It's not your loss. Yeah. The bot is still trading. The trade is still floating. I'll give you an example. This is from my experience. When the Bitcoin crashed, almost about 50%, I think. Yeah. Nearly 50%. Yeah, I have cryptos in my wallet. I collect cryptos in the last 6 or 7 years. From my crypto portfolio alone, I lost about $1 million, more than $1 million in my crypto portfolio. That is not in the Binance. That means in Malaysia is about $6 million. I'm down now because I keep my crypto there. So this is normal. When the price goes up, your portfolio, the value goes up. The price goes down, your value goes down. Okay? So, but you still have the same number of cryptos. So, don't be worried about the floating loss. No, nothing. It's just like a normal people keeping their cryptos in Luno, in Remitano, in whatever wallet. Yeah, they can see the value is gone down. So what is the difference between you are doing trading in Royal Q and you are keeping your crypto in the normal wallet? There's nothing much different. But the difference in Royal Q that you can make profit. But you can make profit. You can increase the number of crypto that you have. But when you keep your crypto inside the normal wallet, you still have the same number of cryptos inside there. If you have 20 Bitcoin, you still have 20 Bitcoin. But in Royal Q, if you have 20 Bitcoin, but your Bitcoin is increasing when you make profit. When you trade on Bitcoin or you trade on other coin, that means you increase more of your coins. So forget about the floating loss. Just remember, you must have a belief that Bitcoin will go up. This is my feeling. No matter what people say in the YouTube, China is having problem here, it's closing mining, all this. Don't worry. Bitcoin, to me, I still believe Bitcoin will go up. When Bitcoin will go up, the rest of the alternate coin will follow. Yeah. Because Bitcoin is the mother of all the cryptocurrencies. Yeah? Yeah. So, because a lot of government in the world, before this, few years ago, they tried to block Bitcoin. They tried their best. India at one time already banned Bitcoin, right? Yeah. But now, it's people still using Bitcoin in India. Yeah. Because this is something that is unstoppable.
Yeah, unstoppable.
Bitcoin is unstoppable. Yes, it goes down. It went down until 20 plus. I watched Bitcoin price 29, 28, but it goes up again 30. It cannot go down lower than that. So now is the time to wait for the market to be bullish, and those with floating loss, you will enjoy your profit. It's temporary. So don't be so sad, so shocking about seeing the rate floating loss. No, nothing. Remember again, as if you are keeping your cryptos in the normal wallet, you still lose value. But here, yeah, you still lose value, but you are going to increase the number of coins that you have in Royal Q. That is the difference. So now, I think after learning how to recoup whatever my floating loss, yeah, you must have extra fund in order for you to recoup your floating loss. Yeah, today I got 7 converted from 20%, some 40%. I make it, not only I recover to 0%, but I make profit out of it using Royal Q app. So you must believe, number one, you must believe that Royal Q app will help you to make money. And you are not going to lose money in Royal Q app. That is the main fundamental that you must believe. Okay? So after that, try to learn more how it works. So by practical, by doing it, if you have a small budget, never mind, learn it. Watch all the video, all free of charge. It's about knowledge. Knowledge is power, guys. I don't know how to trade before this, but today at least I can see how to capitalize on the market. Now I can understand a little bit about the candle, everything. Yeah, this is all because I paid $100 to own the Royal Q bot. You see, the $100, the value is so much, guys, so much.
It's
one day, one day I can become a trader myself. I can start making good money in trading. But even if I know, I will still use Royal Q bot because I don't want to spend all my day long in front of my computer. Yeah, I set it and forget it. Let the bot do the work. So yeah, I think Royal Q can go very far. Yeah. Okay. So that is part on the product itself. So when you have a good product, why don't you promote the product where you can earn more money? I see a lot of people, they join Royal, they always want to learn about the how to trade, how the floating loss, everything, but they forgot about the marketing side. To market the Royal bot. Okay, from my statistic, I make about 60% profit in trading in about 2.5 months. Okay, today is 29th of June. That means I'm about 2.5 months in Royal Q. I make about 60% profit in trading. Yeah, that is this is fantastic result, right?
Fantastic.
Without the bot, I cannot make this much. I cannot make the $22,000. Okay, so and from Royal Q marketing, when I market the bot,
affiliate.
I paid $100 for Royal Q. Remember? Then I make 14,000%. 14,000%. I repeat again.
Wow.
From $100, that means I make $14,000 so far in Royal Q.
Alhamdulillah, fantastic.
Yeah. So you can see, if you are a marketer, you can make much more. So now there are two different type of people who join Royal Q. Some, they have a lot of fun. When they have more fun, they can make more profit in trading. But I'm talking here about people who have less fun. Let's say you can afford only $1,000. Is it? You buy a Royal Q bot $100 and you can trade about $900.
Yeah.
If let's say you trade, let's say $1,000, okay, $1,000, if 1% per day is $10, right? $1,000, 1% per day is $10. Okay, so if you make 1% per day, is good enough, $10. As you compare to the other program that I'm currently involved in few other programs. If you compare to the normal crypto program, where you put in your money $1,000, you get 1% per day or 0.5% per day. Average is 0.5%. So if you get 1% per day, you put $1,000, you get $10. But in RoyalQ, if you have $1,000, I'm sure you can make much more. And on top of that, you control your own fund. Nobody control your fund in RoyalQ. So please also go and see on the affiliate side. If you have less fund, you go and focus on the affiliate side so that you can make more money. You recruit one person, you make $30. If you have $1,000 in trading, it's not easy to make $30 for one trade. Because you have only $1,000 in trading, right?
Yep.
So the bulk of the money is in the promoting RoyalQ. $30 per sign up. $30 per sign up. That is you just a normal V1. If you are a V2, you make more.
40.
V3, you make more. V4, you make more. Okay. So I can talk about the marketing side. So on the marketing side, I've already mentioned I make 14,000%. Is it big or small?
Big.
Yeah.
14,000. Yeah.
14,000%. But a lot of people overlook this. So because your intention is to join any program is to make money. So you must focus on the money making activity. Learning about the trade is money making activity. Okay, good. But since you have small budget, so you want to have more fun. So promote RoyalQ board. Learn the marketing aspect. You have to learn along the way. Yeah? So there are people who contact me. They told me, Sifu, I don't know how to sponsor people. So I will tell them this. Are you going to say this again and again for the rest of your life that I don't know how to sponsor people? You must make a decision that, yes, currently I don't know how to sponsor people, but I want to learn how to sponsor people. If you make a decision that you want to learn how to sponsor people, definitely you will. I've proven it. I don't know how to trade, but I learned the trading. I learn, watch all, I don't know how many 100 videos I watched. All the Zoom call video, if I don't have time to attend the Zoom call, I will watch from the YouTube. I'm learning along the way. So please, don't give the excuses that I don't know how to sponsor people. Stop that excuses once and for all. Everything in life starts with I don't know. A few years ago, I don't know how to sponsor people. But I start learning because I know marketing can help you to make more money. Even with small budget, you still can make money. With $100, you can make 14,000%. Are you going to learn the art of sponsoring or not? We are not, to me, when I do sponsoring, I never ever want to try to convince people to join me. No. If you try so hard to convince people, you get demotivated. You just share what you believe. utilize all the videos that the leaders have uploaded in YouTube. You can go to Deepak channel, you can go to my channel, you can upload the video, you can share the video. You are sharing with others what you believe is good for you and good for them. Let them make a decision. So keep on sharing with people. So the art of sponsoring is that, number one, you can do offline and online way. Okay. So far in RoyQ, this is my statistic. Yeah, even though RoyQ is not my main business, but I still perform. So far, I made in RoyQ is around total about $36,000 in all, with the training plus the promotion. Yeah, I'm very happy about this.
Fantastic.
In Malaysia, it's about 154,000 RM within 2 months. This is something a good achievement. So you see, I have personally sponsored in RoyQ. Okay, total I've personally signed up is 408 people today.
Wow.
Within 2.5 months, and yeah, not everybody take action. Not everybody make a decision. I understand this very, very well. Those who sign up are 408 people who sign up, but 185 have already activated, the people that I have sponsored, and 223 still thinking, analyzing. I don't know what they are doing. They show the interest, that's why they register, but they cannot make a decision yet. So this one I want to highlight to you. Nobody in this world start a business when they understand everything. They understand the whole thing, then only they start a business. No, no such thing. This including myself, even though I have about nearly 30 years experience in the network marketing world. Whenever I join a program, like example like RoyQ, I don't understand everything, but I believe this bot can help me to become a trader. This bot can help me to make profit, which today I have proven. Yeah, when Kingas approached me about this, I asked him a few questions. I don't ask a lot of questions. I want to see whether the bot can really help me or not. So Kingas shows his the profit he's making from the bot. Then I say, okay, let me try $1,000. So on the first day of using the bot, I already made $300 on my first day of trading.
Wow.
So to me, it works. So when I see the bot work, then I have a belief, yes, this is a good bot, it will work. But even though I don't understand everything, what is quantitative trading, what is the martingale, I don't understand all that. I just learn along the way. Yep. When you learn along the way, you become better and better and better. So the same thing applies to sponsoring people. Start doing something now. Start making a decision that I want to be a good sponsor. Can you do it or not? Leave all your excuses behind that. I cannot sponsor, I cannot sponsor. You are going to give the same excuses until you die. No. Anything can be learned. I don't know how to sponsor before, but now I can sponsor. So the best thing is, when you want to build the RoyQ team, the best approach is work with your sponsor.
Yeah.
Don't go up, jump here, jump there, go and have the leaders here and then. No. Work with your sponsor. If your sponsor is also new, he doesn't know, ask him, who is your sponsor? Try to work with these people. So, because they have interest in you, whatever your performance, they will override also. Okay? So, now if you want to sponsor people the online way, I've proven it again and again in all my opportunities. You must have a tool. You must have the right tool. If you have the right tool, you'll be able to sponsor just like me. I never go out from my house to meet a single person, but I sponsored 400 people. Out of the 400 people, maybe only 10 or 20 people that I know. The rest, I don't know. So do you want this to happen to you or not? If you want this to happen to you, you see, you must have the right tool. Like what I'm doing, like what Royal Q is giving me now. I have the right robot. That's why I made profit of about $20 over $1,000, because I have the right robot. Now, if you want to sponsor people, if you have the right tool, can you sponsor people or not?
Yeah.
Definitely you can sponsor people. I've already uploaded in my videos. Yeah. For you to have the right tools, yeah, I have already shared in my videos that I've been using this special tool for the last 7 years with lots of success. But I know everybody wants to become a millionaire. Yeah, all of you here want to become a millionaire. I know. All your friends and family members all want to become a millionaire, but only a few people take the necessary step to become a millionaire. They start to learn. So if you want to be successful in the online world, in the marketing world, you have to learn the art of sponsoring, and you must have the right tool. So I've already shared my tool. You can go to my YouTube channel. You can type Azli Sham Azizan. You can search for the tools. So if you have the right tool, you can easily sponsor 10, 20, 100 people if you know how to use the tool. This is not a must, but if you really want to master the art of sponsoring, you must have the right tool. Same like if you want to master trading, RoyalQ is the right tool for you to learn. I'm going to prove to the world that I'm going to make a lot of money from trading in RoyalQ. I'm just waiting for the market to be bullish again. I will start sharing. I've made my track record in RoyalQ. I made up to $1,000. My best day is $2,000 profit in my best day.
Fantastic.
A person without any knowledge in trading, $2,000. So if I can do it in start learning about the trading from RoyalQ board, can you learn how to sponsor people using the online system that I've been using? I've been using that system for 7 years to drive all of my online business, not only RoyalQ, whatever business. I practice multiple streams of income. I don't focus on one. This is based from my own experience. So that no matter what happened, I still have the money flowing into my bank every day. Yeah. So we hope RoyalQ will last for so long and long. They are serious about it. Yes, it can last for 5 years, 10 years, or 20 years. They will create a lot of millionaires in RoyalQ. Yeah, now I'm already a V3 because why? The pay plan is such a way that I need to have people rank up. Then only I can go up the rank, right?
Yeah.
Then man, to me, I believe it will come. I don't go and identify a person. Hey, come now, work hard to become V2. Hey, come you work hard to become V2. To me, I don't approach that way. People who want to work hard, who want to make money, they will work. Macam orang Melayu cakap, tak payah pujuk-pujuk orang. So of all the people that I sponsor, I know some will go up the rank of V2, some will come V3, V4. It will come soon. So to me, my ranking, I just let the course do its work. Now only 2.5 months. So I need for me to go up V4, I need 3 V3s. But there are people who will become V3 sooner or later.
Yeah, yeah.
But now I must do I will do what is within my control. To rank up the people is not within my control. Some, they just come in, they sponsor 1 or 2, they just die like that. They forget about it. The serious people will become V2, the serious people will become V3, V4, and so on. And I believe there are people in my team that I sponsor, they will be that way. So my job is to keep on sponsoring as many people as possible. So I've proven that. So those who want to learn more about the system, you can always contact me. You can go to my YouTube channel. There's my WhatsApp link over there. I want to help people.
Yep.
The tool is so cheap, but it can help you to become the next millionaire. I tell you, not everybody are willing to learn how to use the tool. Some, they subscribe to the tool, they don't even log into your back office. They don't even learn. So if you have a tool, but you don't take the time to learn, no way you can be successful. I buy the robot, the RoyQ robot, but if I don't spend time to learn about the bot, can I make $23,000? No.
No.
No way. At least I learn. You can learn free of charge from the Zoom call, or from you go to the YouTube channel, you can go to Deepak channel, you can go to my channel. Yeah, learn. So it's you who decide whom you want to become. If you want to be a good sponsoring machine, make a decision tonight. If Sifu can sponsor 400 people, why can't I sponsor 20, 30? So don't give excuses. So focus on this. You see, in RoyQ, what I see is that you can even earn profit from trading even if you don't trade. Do you agree? No? You still make money from trading, but even though you don't trade. How? Is the pay plan? Yeah, you earn 20% of what they make, right?
Yeah, yeah.
If you have less fund, you still can earn money from trading, from the network that you build. So start promoting RoyQ. $30 is a lot of money. $30 is it's not small money. Yeah, I'm happy I make $14,000 because I'm promoting a $100 product. I buy one time for 1 year. Now only 2.5 months, I already made 14,000%. I will show you after 1 year how many 1,000% I make from the $100. So are you going to overlook this matter?
Yeah.
Start promoting. We have like a Duke Achan doing the Zoom call. This is a very, very, to me, it's simple and it's understandable. But how many times you join the Zoom call? You ask yourself. Okay? So that's all my sharing for tonight. You want to learn the art of sponsoring, you can start learning. You can join my WhatsApp group. I have a special group there for the marketing system. I'm going to help people. If you don't ask me, I don't know whether you learn or not. If you really want to learn, you can become the next sponsoring machine online without even having to go out from your house. I sponsor 400 people right from my computer here. That's all. Okay? So now you have 2 income streams. Trading, yes, proven. Marketing the RoyQ bot is also proven. So it's all up to you. Make a decision, promote the RoyQ robot, and you also can earn from other people's trading profit. Okay? So Duke, thank you. That's all I want to share about tonight. I hope you are excited about this. Make a decision and go for it. Okay?
Okay. Thank you. A very big thanks a zillion to our Sifu, our mentor, our Sifu Sham. Thanks a lot for all your wise advice regarding how to do the proper recruitment, and especially for those who are newbie, kindly take notes. and this consider a very golden opportunity to us. Okay, so thanks a lot. Thanks again, Sifu, for all your times. All right. So brothers and sisters, so before I came to the end, I would like to on behalf of the teams, especially from Mr. Nizam and Mr. Rizwan, and all our co-leader, would like to congratulate all our brothers and sisters, especially from Nigeria. Okay, have been promoted from V2 to V3. Okay, and if I'm not mistaken, I already spoke to one of the V3. Congrats to Dr. Mani Joy. All right, she's a very energetic woman. And congrats also for V3 from Nigeria, Dr. Toyin Olarewaju. Okay, sorry if I've wrongly pronounced or addressed your names. All right. And the rest of V2, a lot of V2 from Nigeria, brothers and sisters. So I cannot announce one by one your names. But on behalf of the teams, congrats again. And not forgetting for Malaysian people also promoted, become V2 to V3 and V1 to V2. And same goes to our brothers in Indonesia. Okay. Tanya bapak-bapak, ibu-ibu atas promosinya ke V2 dan V3 ya. Okay, sukses selalu. Okay, so guys, I think sharp, okay, 12 midnight, okay, fantastic, very good timing, okay. So I think we come to the end, okay. So I do hope for our Zoom meeting for tonight, we will gain something that for enhance our knowledge. And for those for the newbie, welcome and keep learning. And for those already become a Royal Q big family, keep sharing. Remember the power of sharing. Sometimes we don't have to look great in order to start, but we have to brave enough to start in order to look great. Okay, so guys, brother, sister, I think that's all for tonight. So on behalf of the team, if got just now at the earlier we have inconvenience to moment, thousand apologize. I humbly for myself. Okay, so without further ado, I'm going to close this for tonight Zoom call. All right. So brothers and sisters, see you. Stay safe. Okay, take care yourself. All right. I sense a good result for your family. And thanks once again to our main host, Mr. Depak Ramji, Mr. Kingas, not forgetting our special appearance, Master Sifu Sham. Thanks a lot for all you guys. Okay, see you when I see you. So hopefully every Tuesday, guys, remember for English session, and every Thursday for Indonesia or Bahasa Malaysia session. That's all from me now. For the count of 5, I will be shut down our Zoom call for tonight. All right. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sayonara. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A very good evening.